Good Wednesday morning, traders, Unusual Whales fans, and audience members. I didn't have anything else to say to open up, so I just kind of made shit up as I went there.
That's easy.
If you're new here, this is WhaleWatch, where we trade Unusual Whales options flow live for you to watch and learn. We also take scalps intraday using the gamma exposure tool Periscope, proprietary also to Unusual Whales. That's all we do here. We mess around. We make fun of Tucker's headset. I don't know why. I just didn't have anything else to say.
What? This is a totally normal headset, man.
JC is engrossed in that phone.
Yeah.
He's lost in the sauce.
Screenager,
Did you take a hit?
No, I just I opened up funky enough that I saw these GoPro calls come in, and the first thing in the morning.
Oh, you want to jump right into it, dude? I'm down. All right.
This guy's obsessed with flow. The show's starting. He can't even find it within him to like say hi to the
audience. He can't be bothered.
I'm also seeing a lot of AMD puts coming in this morning, as well. So someone might be.
He's got a one-track mind.
Yeah, he's ready to go. Well, let's look at it then. I mean, right here, right now. Let's look at those GoPros, baby. So this is what we do, folks. We break down flow throughout the entire show. If you have any flow questions or any contracts you want to look at, just drop them in the chat. Tucker will get them to us. The little guy down there in the corner. He'll hook us up.
First thing they call the devil on the shoulder. Send your questions to the devil. Straight to the devil.
First thing in the morning, this popped up. 15 call. The 2C for 220. Sorry, I was about to say 20, and I was like, no, that's not right.
Oh, our PLCE position's dipping.
Starts off here at the ask. I'm trying to see if there's anything behind that. Nope. We do get a little dip in the IV, though. I do see that happening. However, I do like that the majority came in here at the ask. Time-wise, I think this is far enough that like this area doesn't really matter for that. I just took a few just to be just for the shits and giggles of it. Interesting because GoPro has run before like crazy, so there's a lot of time on this. It's cheap enough, so we'll see what happens. It is a penny, right? It's a penny stock, so that's what I'm looking at. So also I think IoT might be on a tear, by the way, Nick.
IoT, let it tear, dude. I'm still sitting in one of those. Let me pop this up so people can see our current positions. Our PLCE position that we got in yesterday is taking a little bit of heat. It was up 20%. Now we're sitting at negative 5%, but not enough move in the stock itself for me to be concerned about that.
Let's go XYZ. I saw those XYZ weeklies come in. They're already in the money now.
So we're sitting in these $5 for February PLCE calls. We just got in these yesterday, and our stop's way down below 387. The rationale here is we saw flow come in for the January 16th contract. I didn't like the time frame on those, so we got the February 5s. And we're sitting... Actually, this might be a bid-ask spread situation giving us a dip, because the stock hasn't dipped in us enough to put us... February 20, yeah. The bid-ask spread's 55 to 120. We're fine. I ain't sweating that at all.
Yeah.
But the rationale here is look at this dumpy wumpy, presumably an earnings dump in December, where they came all the way down to that 387 I have marked as our stop. I don't want it to go back below there, but it's kind of curling up off of its bottom. I want to see this recover and refill that gap. My ultimate target will be that 673. That's at the bottom of the gap, but I'm going to trim these on the way up. I'm not going to have more than one contract for that move. I imagine if we get there, I'll be taking most profit just above $5 at the top of their last attempt to recover. But other than that, we're just kind of sitting in these IoT contracts as well. The 37 call for February. We talked about the IoT flow on Monday's show, actually, but we didn't get in until yesterday when there was a pretty substantial dip.
There's Amazon flow coming in, by the way, a lot of it.
We'll dive that right when I'm done with this.
Yeah.
So we took it. We took the 37, and intraday, we got what we wanted pretty quick yesterday. So we took profit on one contract at like 40 or 43%, and I'm letting this bad boy ride. It would be pretty cool. This 35.29 spot was kind of a hard resistance and support from them trying to backtest on the way up and during their drop. I want them to conquer that and turn it into support. That gives us our good old-fashioned shot at putting our $37 call in the money, and we have well over a month for them to do it. We're sitting pretty there. The other position we're in, the rest of these are kind of beat up. Hun is doing okay. We have till May on that one. We harped on that on Monday. AESI is another one we've been keeping our eye on. The contracts are pretty cheap, so we grabbed 5 of those 12.5s for February, sitting basically at break even today. We were up decent yesterday on that spike till $11, but we're just kind of coasting on this as well. We got time on these, but those are the positions we're sitting in. But what did you see come in, Jay-Z?
The Doku also looks pretty interesting. The Doku sign. I haven't seen Doku pop up in a while. Not a lot of volume, I guess, for Doku sign, but I haven't seen the ticker being actually hit for a while. So it is interesting. They are all at the ask, it seems like, as well. Tape wise, that is the one single volume kind of hit, which I like to see. Prior volume is not super there, but it is. I mean, it is interesting. I haven't seen. Do they have earnings? 312. So this does not coincide with earnings either. Doki has been one of my earnings babies. I play earnings on Doki all the time, so it's been fun to play it. But this is interesting. Oh, I forgot. I need to close my glue position. Sorry, give me 1 second. I forgot I'm in that.
We gotta teach this man to use his computer so he doesn't have to look away.
Yeah.
What would it take, Jay-Z?
What would it take?
I can't. I just can't. I can't.
You know what? No, I won't accept that as an answer. That's defeatist. You are a talented young man.
I
We
can't.
will not let this. We will not let this.
Old habits die hard, man. I'm telling you right now. Old habits die hard. It's hard because I'm just so used to the clicking of stuff. It's not easy for me to change over.
Yeah, no, I feel that. I understand that.
Also, I just took 35% on Amazon as well. By the way.
Atta boy. We have 2 requests for SLV technically. John on Twitter and our boy Anthony on YouTube, both talking about SLV. Anthony grabbed an actual contract.
Let's do it.
And then the other one was just a request to take a peek at it. Anthony hit the dip buyers at open, 75 call for 717 on SLV.
717.
Yes, sir.
75. Why is that not popping up?
Everyone on Twitter, sound off just to make sure everything is working correctly there. My analytics page is lagging out, so I just want to make sure the video feed is fine. Sound off!
All right. Is it really me that has that static? Damn.
I am almost positive.
All right. I gotta get my crap out, I guess.
Yeah, dude, I was muted while you were hearing that. It's
Yeah.
I'll figure it out in a second.
He's just trying to blame Tucker again.
I'm not blaming Tucker, okay? I'm not blaming Anthony. You
Anyone but himself.
Contracts.
Hey, he was just pointing out. He was just pointing it out.
I mean, yeah,
I'm just noticing.
It could be. I mean, Silver had a quote unquote small pullback today, right? Like 5% down right now. Seems as if 932. This is not super worried about that. So 9. We're going to a 9 here. It does drop to an 8.9 afterwards. Do we see another 8.9 here? 937.28, 936. 8, 9.
I told everyone to sound off, but I'm not even looking at the chat.
Yeah. There's people saying X is fine. Yeah, I mean this looks good. So this Anthony, I'm not.
He said trying to get you guys 2% on the board.
So yeah, I mean, yeah, this is repeated hits. They look good. I mean, they look like dip buyers, right? So I mean, I don't think that Silver is good.
Yeah, I'm with them. It's looking dip buy to me.
Yep.
Down 5% out of the gate too. I mean, let's be real here. Silver in general, gold, commodities are starting to catch up as a whole as well. And I can't remember who it was. Some bank guru guy, one of the CEOs of the big banks, I think it was speculating pretty heavily and confidently that most commodities are going to look like gold by the end. I don't know enough about that to start punting money at it, but I'd have to imagine bro knows more than I do.
TMQ, look at that huge amount of TMQ volume coming in. Actually, 116. They're already up 7%.
Did we see TMQ like a week ago, or am I thinking of something else?
You think of TMC?
Oh, you're right. Oh, dude, TMC, the one that got away. That's another one that I didn't get filled on. And then that one guy that's in your server and in Milt's server was just giving me shit about it because he got in heavy. Like, you bastard.
Yeah.
Shoot.
So 0.3 already up to 0.45. Oh man, that's
Oh, it's on a tear right now.
yeah.
For a $5 stock, it's up like 50 cents right out the gate right now. It's dropped off of
VT
its highs, currently up 30 cents.
VTYX is up 67% from that merger with Eli Lilly, I believe was what it was.
Yeah, I did see
Marty
that.
Bird, Marty Bird, shout out to Marty Bird with the biotech stuff in Unusual Whales. My man's finds all these crazy biotech plays. You gotta keep watching on his stuff with insider buys and stuff he plays. So that stuff's good. He finds some really good stuff. So
I do like seeing people utilize those tools because it's not super mainstream like with influencers,
yeah,
affiliates. I don't use it much. So it's nice to see tools that I personally don't tend to use a lot get
yeah.
some use, and Marty uses
And
them well.
he uses. I was about to say he uses them really well. Marty does a really good job with that.
We'll have to sneak him onto the show if he's free sometime. I want to start doing a lot more of that. I want to bring community members on, other affiliates, etc., etc., etc. Just have some fun with it.
I got an ASST look up.
2 S's, you say?
ASTS.
No, that's one AST from Enrique. It was the first
Oh,
comment.
2 days in a row of pretty high inflated net call premiums
Yeah.
on this penny banger.
I don't know if I told you guys over here or not, but I've been in this for a little while since point 0.2, I think I've been in here. 0.2 or 0.3. I got
It's 20 cents. Damn, dude, get it.
Yeah. So this actually, if you look at the chart, and if Nick wants to pull up the chart, if he can, it
Man, charting a
jumped all
penny
the way-
stock is absolute.
No, hold
cancer.
on. Just listen to me. Just hear me out.
I will bet you $100 it's barcoding in a 1 cent time.
No. I'm trying to tell you where it went to a high last year. All right. Take a look at where it went to a high last year. It's like
last year,
$50.
I would Google. Yeah, go ahead and Google real quick for me if these guys had a reverse split, because I find it hard to believe they tanked like that. That'd be crazy. ASST have a reverse split. When charts look like this, that tends to indicate. You almost said something fucky.
You about to make me
July, yep, a 1 for 5 reverse stock split last year. So that high isn't applicable to this $1 share price.
Yeah, but it did go up though, which is nice.
Well, yeah, but actually the 2025 one's real. That one's real, all the way up to 1342. That's nuts. What even is this?
This is I think it's might be a crypto thing. I can't remember, dude. I saw it one day.
But I was right about the chart. It's just barcoding in a 2 cent range.
Well, yeah, I just wanted to tell you what it used to be. I'm not, you know what I mean? I'm trying to tell you what it used to be, not what it's doing right now. I just want to pull up the chart so people can see. Also, Nick, do you mind sharing your screen when you can so I can see it?
I did.
You did?
Yeah,
he is. He is.
I pulled it off now. We're back on your screen, but yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm just
This guy is just causing issues this morning and trying to blame us. Like, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know why I'm getting thrown under the bus, but I'm an innocent bystander in his tech issues.
Oh my god. Okay, so glue was one good one yesterday that came in.
Why do I have VTSI saved? That's old as shit. That's the wrong save. Never mind. I was in the wrong watch list.
Probably. The 17.5, 116.
Oh,
so
IoT's giving us juice, baby. Oh, now he's sniffing glue on the show?
What do you mean sniffing
glue?
Went from 1.00 to a high of 5.86. Yeah.
What the hell is that?
This came in at 350 yesterday.
Up 46% today.
Yeah.
Did you catch this one yesterday?
Yeah, I did.
Why didn't you say anything?
I was busy. You know how hard it is. You know. Do you understand how hard it is?
Yeah, your schedule's chock full as a full-time trader.
Nick,
I
he's
know.
a zombie.
You're just bogged down with meetings all day.
Shut up. All right, so that was ASC. I mean, ASST is good. I did see a lot of flow coming in, Enrique, for ASST. But as Nick says, I think you might be safer off just buying shares, to be honest, on something like that.
Penny stocks get weird, man. I tend to not play contracts on penny stocks myself. Usually, if it's $1 or cheaper, if I play something I see in the flow, I tend to play it in shares. But I'm not a penny stock trader by any means.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest. You can have one of those penny stocks that go like ballistic, but guess what? That's super rare. and to be able to catch all of them and make the right decision on those, it's a little bit harder. So if my recommendation in any cans and penny stock, I get shares for the most part. I'm starting to learn to do that a lot more. So
I will say, if you got into that at like 20 cents, it already did rip.
oh yeah, I got out at like $11 too for some.
Christ.
Yeah. So that was good.
Izzy is the whale.
No, I'm not the whale. I wish I was the whale. That would be nice. ASTS has also been on a tear. I think.
They are pushing hard. I don't even care about the 7% pullback.
Yeah, no, yeah.
ASTS is pushing pretty hard to duke it out with Starlink.
Yeah, look at that. What's this on the first? It ran from 72 all the way up to
it's been having a party.
Yeah, dude.
It's been having a party.
5 days ran. I would definitely be more interested in this as well, but I would wait to see a little bit more flow and volume coming in, because now as the volume piles in, I would want to see significantly higher volume coming into ASTS to be able to jump into something new. Something super unusual, right? Because right now ASTS is it's hyped up. They're talking about it. People are like getting more buzz about it. When that stuff that's coming in, your basic average trade or the average volume and premium coming in is not the same as when it didn't have much hype behind it. Is my thought process behind it. So you can keep your eyes open. Just make sure you look for flow, right? If you're not with Unusual Whales, make sure you guys get the subscription to Unusual Whales, because that's how you're able to check the flow.
Stay tuned next week, homies. We will have a discount for you, special to the show and special just for you for watching the show. And people who don't come into the show ain't gonna see it because they're not here, and that's their problem, not yours.
Yeah.
And if you're just coming in, folks, make sure you stick around to the end today, because we have some news coming both for the show and externally, and I'm pretty excited to talk with everybody about. So just hang around, deal with us being boring as shit for an hour or two, and we'll get spicier toward the end of the show.
Oh, come on. You don't have to frame it like that. You're not gonna
I'm just being real, dude.
Come listen to us be awesome as shit. I don't know, man. This is me trying my hand a little marketing, saying that we're awesome instead of boring. Sue me.
What's the data drop that you're talking about, Anthony? What I miss? I don't pay enough attention. I'm kind of a piece of shit with that. Like, truthfully, I know I should. I've gotten fleeced by news drops. I've gotten fleeced by data drops. I don't pay enough attention sometimes.
Dude, my Amazon's at 60%.
Why don't you brag about it some more, bully?
Yeah, I told you. I was like, oh, Amazon.
Oh, IoT, baby. IoT's giving us some spice.
Let's get it.
They just broke above that resistance at 35.29 I mentioned at the top of the show. This is looking beautiful for our lone $37 call. I'll be real. After we took profit on that first one yesterday, I was really hoping they'd give me another dip. I wanted them to backtest this 34.07 that acted as resistance after the drop to the bottom here at 33.62. I really wanted another backtest of that. They told me to get bent, and so I did not add to our position. But we are currently riding this $37 call until they reverse, essentially. I want to see it go in the money if we can get there. It's not an unreal target. I mean, we are already filling that first gap right now. We just crossed above it. This looks really good for our IoT position.
Yeah, it was definitely unusual when it came in. I hadn't seen IoT come in flow for a long time, which is why I was like, oh, this looks good.
Oh, we got jolts today.
Jolts. What time is that? 10 o'clock in 10 minutes?
He might be talking Central. Bro's in God's time zone with me.
Oh boy, Eastern.
That's my guy. That's my guy.
Eastern's the best. What do we got? The ore. Look at that volume OI on the ore as well. 2.6, 5.5, 20% out of the money. Or has ore gotten some juice today? Prior days. Let's check it out. Let's look at the ore real quick.
Check it out. I'm gonna spit that out. That stuff tastes like fruit. No Dr. Brule fans? Wow.
Yeah, it has gotten some.
What
juice.
is this?
You looking at what I'm looking at, or in relation?
Yeah. The AUR.
Yeah, it's definitely gotten juice. It's getting more juice. I think someone's definitely chasing these guys now. What do we have here? We had the 116.5 call that came in. When did this come in? Oh, this has been a slow burner. It's your low burner. All right. The 10 calls are there as well. It's kind of useless. I think it's too far out.
Ooh,
for
piece of
right
candy.
now. Piece of candy. Yes, this can did this. Oh, I carry over yesterday. Yeah,
Yeah,
majority
most of it.
did.
Yeah.
I would have thought this is probably a exit, but that's a majority carry. That's nice. They're sitting. So all right, so we got that. I'm interested to see.
Oh, he
if I
did say
can get-
ET. So yeah, 10 minutes.
Nice.
10 minutes for jolts.
I would like to see a little bit more of a pullback on this before I want to jump in, but I do like those.
For those unsure, jolts is the job openings and labor turnover. So jobs report, which has been kind of wonky the last several months. We talked about that on the FOMC panel.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually write it down this time around, and I'm gonna make sure we remember it this time around.
I believe in you. Do it.
Last time I wrote down CRML and I had it on there, and I forgot about it.
I'm still a little butthurt about Calumet because we got the most amazing dip. Yes, this is another one we talked about. If you guys weren't here Monday, we talked about this flow on Monday on CLMT, and it dipped like crazy, way down to 1823 from almost 21. And I missed the dip buy, but this hat wearing SOB over here didn't. He didn't say anything. SMDH, he doesn't love us. He doesn't love us.
Mean?
I told him, hey, look at this drop we missed to enter on CLNT. And he's like, what do you mean we? It's like, you piece of shit. And yes, you did see correctly. We are down to 1,900 on the account. Just real quick, I'm going to open up the order that made that happen.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, I got about half of the loss back with those two flow plays yesterday, but I took a heater. Let me do this all 1 month. I got hit on a heater of a scalp the day before yesterday. Where is it? Where is it? Dude, I've been taking too many scalps. There are way too many.
No, it was yesterday. It was yesterday.
Was it yesterday? There it is, right here.
It was yesterday.
Oh. I tried to get continuation on the downside, and I took a fat hit. I took a full stop out, bro.
He sent me a message saying, I'm in it deep. Oh, God, shit. Oh, we cooked.
So this bad boy right here, the $688 put, I got in at 37 and took a full range stop out. It broke out of the downward pattern, and I lost about 9 per contract on that one. And that was actually the double dip. As you can see, I did it before then with the 690 and took another hit on those. So about a $200 loss. I got 100 back from those two flow plays, and we're just trucking along, folks. Our next target stays at $5,000 on the account, and that's what we're gonna get, damn it. Little lull. If anything, straight up, and anybody who's trading is trying to tell you they always win, and that chart on their P&L is straight up are full of shit. Most charts are going to look like this. You're going to win, you're going to lose. That's just the truth of the matter. Oh, yeah, dude. I saved... No, it was the day before yesterday. I was right. It was... Oh, no, today's Wednesday. I'm stupid as shit. Oh, my God. Yesterday, this was actually like 250. Negative 250 before I got those flow plays. And then, if you're, again, new or late, here was our month of December. Most of these were scalping and some Jay-Z flow plays. You see we had a massive hit day on the 24th. That wasn't pleasant. That was scalping as well. Again, just like yesterday, I oversized a bit and then did not get it back. But we did pretty good December. How many losing days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losing days. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 winning days. And as you can see in our general P&L, the winning days outweighed. You don't need to be a 100% trader. That's not a thing. Oh, shit. Where's that sign? Didn't I make that sign? You made that sign, right? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, what, the meme? The meme?
Yeah. Let me find it. Let me find it. Is it this one?
No,
nope, that's the old holiday sale. Why do I still have that?
I got it.
3MS. What's that?
This?
Is it titled 3MS?
Wait, what's 3M? Wait, what?
I could have sworn.
Yeah, Anthony, I saw those. That's the 46s I was looking at. They are chasing for sure. With 2 days left to expiration, the Intels.
I'm starting to get sweaty, dude. It's hot as shit in here. All right, hold on. I got this. I got to put this. Is really important. It's important. It's not really important at all, but it's important. It's important. Hold on. I got this. Boom. 100% win rate is.
I just sent that in our chat, bro.
I know. I put it on. Holy. Go.
What happened?
I think Jay-Z dropped, and now we have an
No.
echo.
No, I'm still here.
Oh,
It's
your
done. The
webcam
echo's
dropped.
gone.
Did it really?
It's probably
it's fine.
Riverside's
I think
fault.
it's back. No, he's back. He's
There
fine.
we go.
Don't
Fixed
worry,
it.
buddy. Don't worry.
But 100% win rate is not a thing. That's all. It's not a thing, y'all. It's not. Anybody saying
Oh, the
otherwise? Anybody who's
bird.
taken more than 5
Yeah.
trades saying they have 100% win rates lying their asses off to you.
100% win rate is not a thing. God, you know what? I'm really proud of it.
Oh, it's beautiful. 2008 inspirational Facebook.
Look at that. Oh, hello. Wolf 8-piece, 325,000.
Puts now. That's a WULF Wolf is a crypto miner that I dropped the ball on just like I did on Robinhood. I was in Wolf at $1 per share and I stopped out at 80 cents per share. Here we are. People buying $8 puts. God, that hurts. For those unfamiliar with the lore there, I was calling Hood at $11, at $14, and at $16, and I didn't touch it. And it touched me.
The issue with this one is it's a 0.13 fill, and I'm not very happy.
New high of day on IoT as well, by the way. We're up 65% on that contract. I'm not closing it until I see what they do today. This looks really good for a push to get that 37 in the money. PLCE's just hanging out. Not worried about that at all.
How are the AESIs? Oh, Poet's back.
AESI's still sitting at break even, homie.
That's good. Poet's back too. Yeah.
Oh, is Poet gonna? Oh no, it's already going.
It's already going. Yeah, I saw some Poet flow yesterday. I just like it, dude. Yesterday was such a teaser because I was like yesterday and the day before, right? Both, right? Everything was just running up in green, and it just felt like I just didn't feel right to get anything or chase anything. You know what I mean? I was like, I did chase a few things, but nothing crazy. So, we had a question. I think, what do you say about what you said, Spy, about 673? Someone's asking.
I don't think I said anything about 673.
Someone said, I don't know. Oh, I got some flow coming in on the creamy filter.
Well, let's get creamy. Pop that shit open.
Let's check it out.
You just talk about it and leave it on a blank screen. What are you talking about?
Hold on, popping. I gotta click the buttons, man. There we go. EVTL 7.5. 10,000 volume today. 49% of total premium. 100% multi though. I gotta check that multi out. That's not the best. 14.631 today.
Yeah, let's see what they're doing with that. I mean, just quick though. Like it being multi-leg isn't necessarily ruling out.
Yeah.
Pop that bad boy open. Confirmed position. Ooh, that's a roll, my friend.
Yep, it is a roll.
Roly-poly-oly right there. If anybody watched that shit. Tucker's making a face that tells me we're old.
Yeah.
Also, maybe I'm just stupid. All right.
Roly-poly-oly was a Disney Channel show back in the day.
How do you like to look at rolls, Nick? What is your thought process?
It depends. Context matters.
Yeah.
In this case, go ahead. Since it is bid side, it's at the bid on the one that appears to be closing. Again, appears to be no guarantees here. This could be a spread, but it would make less sense to me if it was not a roll. We got 10,000 volume on the 116 expiration, but 12,000 open interest. To me, that's looking like a closure. And then the 7.5 for 220 is looking like an opener. 10,000 right at the ask of 50. No open interest to speak of compared to that size. This looks like they're just rolling out into a further dated contract. Now, what I'm curious is, go ahead and pop open the contract chart for the one that's closing, the 116 contract. Let's see where those came from to begin with. They've probably been in those for forever, and I wouldn't be surprised if they rolled into these too. Up a little more. Yep, they built into it, actually.
Yeah, I was about to say, it looks like a build-up.
Way back in July. But I wouldn't be surprised if this rolled too. I'm going to, real quick, flip to just your camera. I need to open my window for a bit. I'm sweating my ass off.
Okay.
You're good. Go ahead. Let's EVTL. Again, I think that's absolutely a roll in my humble opinion.
So my thing, I think that's, for me, there's two ways to look at rolls, right? Either somebody really knows something that's going to happen, they want to push up because they just didn't get the date right? Or it's just somebody just is in a losing trade and they just want to try and make something off of it, is my two cents on the rolls. What is EVTL actually? Let's figure out what that is. It is industrials, 426. Aerospace company, change how public users use air travel, great engineering. Interesting. I bookmarked this. Let's see what happens. I think I added it, right? Yeah, let's add it. I had to watch this. Let's see what happens with this bad boy. I'm interested to see. I am interested to see what happens. There was a couple other things that came in as well. Let me-
Anthony dropped us a not expensive contract.
Yeah, I saw it already. I just while
did
you
you
were
already talk
talking
about it? All right, I'm the
I was
asshole.
talking to him about it. Yeah, it's gone already. They're chasing the intel. So where was it? It was on Snorlax's.
Oh, they filled it at
asteroid.
16 and it's trading a little bit above 20 now. You're right.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not crazy.
Yeah, no, it's not crazy, but
That's a
intel's already up
shitload
there.
of volume.
Yeah,
And now
I mean,
it's up even more.
yeah. So they're moving. I saw those, and when I saw them already up around here, and I was like,
What was that again?
That's how I felt in my head. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Lots of MSTR calls. MSTR is running. I think they had like a announcement or something yesterday for MSTR. I can't remember the news on it, but there was some type of news on MSTR as well. So that's something to keep tabs of as well. I had some Sava flow pop up on Yeats. Let's check it out as well. I want to look at the 9-day.
Sava. Why do I recognize that?
Sava was a meme. It's a meme stock.
Oh,
for
well,
sure.
that'll do it.
Yeah. 5.5. Yeah, not enough for me to go crazy on, but they're already up from what they're already
Ooh,
pushing up.
SPY with a rejection off 693.09. We're down below 692. Oh yeah, Jolts came out. What was that at? What did Jolts do? Let me check that quick. Jolts. November job openings and hires change little. Total separations unchanged. Says Jolts. Number of job openings changed little at 7.1 million in November. The U.S. statistics reported today. Over the month, hires were little changed. Both quits 3.2 million, layoffs, discharges at 1.7 million. Doesn't really change from the last Jolts report. And as we all know, shit's probably going to change on that too. They always, the shit always adjusts later on. But that, I mean, people say news doesn't matter. I disagree. Look at SPY.
Yeah,
it wasn't necessarily a bad jobs report, but it was nothing changed supposedly, and market didn't love it in the short term at least. We're down almost $2 off of that.
You missed your entry for SPY puds.
You're damn right I did.
I was like, damn, Nick. OGN is up again today as well. I sold too many. Oh no.
For those of you just joining, stick around with us, even if you don't like us, because we have some fun shit for the end of the show.
We had a request from Matthew for Gorilla Glue. Isn't that right? Is that Gorilla Glue, right? I hope I'm right.
Gorilla Technology Group.
Same thing.
Did they
Same
make
thing. Same thing.
glue? No.
He's just got glue on the mind because he was huffing that glue ticker earlier.
He was.
Nothing as of today. I did see some flow prior though that came in. Was it the 15 call?
Super flow. Sucked today.
Now.
Oh yeah, anything touching on this is chaser right now. I gotta wait a long time to get a new entry in either direction right now. That sucks.
Yeah.
Bummer.
Aries is asking, are you gonna play the guitar?
I mean, sometimes sure. I'll play you a ditty. Today, no. I messed up my arm really bad in 2023, and my girlfriend's been listening to me bitch and moan about my hand cramping, playing the simplest of things. It's taken a while to get back. So a lot of dead strings on power chords these days.
Yeah, 102. The Gerflow came. This is the one I saw for the 15th.
On the second.
The 2020. Yeah. So it seems like this was closers for most of it, right? It seems like they're closing most of it here for some profits, right? So and then still holding some. But yeah, well, I'll keep tabs on this. Gur is I think I picked up Gur last year, and I made probably like 30% off of it. But it was actually super out the money, by the way. It was a 45 call, like crazy out the money. However, it had like a little spike, I think a week later, and there was enough volatility because it was so out the money and it was so far away in contract that I was able to take some profit and exit completely. Because 45 did not seem like a likely aspect to happen at that point in time.
If
So I was like,
SPX rejects 69.50, I'm gonna take a small chaser put.
do it. You
For
won't.
those wondering why I just said that, that's where our next positive gamma zone is. If that acts as resistance, I want to see us chug down to this negative gamma down at 69.35, 69.30. Watching right here, right now to see what they do on that. But we'll let you know. You'll hear a ding if I do it.
GPUs. What is that?
I've seen that
Oh,
before.
GPUs. I was thinking about GPUs. Any activity in GPUs? Is that like, as in like graphics cards, or like, are you asking as a ticker? Because I don't see that ticker over here. Is it like only is it no flow on it? Maybe. Let me see. Let me see.
US. Did somebody request that before? Unless he's like actually talking about GPU.
Hyper date.
This is Victor Paz.
Hyperscale
2927.
data. It is a penny stock. I don't know if it has options.
No, there's no options on it.
No options.
No options on it. So,
I don't FW penny stocks.
Yeah.
I already used my
Wow,
F-bomb.
you actually didn't say it.
I already used it. I already used my F-bomb.
Yeah, no options, Victor. I don't really. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't really dabble in stuff that don't have options. I'm glued to the flow, as you guys saw in the morning.
I'm doing the tightest of stops, y'all.
I didn't
Literally right above 69.50 on SPX. I closed these out for a small loss.
I didn't even say hi to you guys this morning. I was glued to the flow, so
We are currently in
That's so
three-
true. At least you're admitting it.
Currently in 3 of the 692 put. I want them to make a new low on this, put these 692 in the money. If they go above 692.31, I'll close this out. We'll lose like 20 bucks. Playing it tight and safe, because sometimes when the jolts comes out, the market acts like it gives a shit, and then it just doesn't and bounces right back and says, get screwed, bears. So we'll see.
SNDK has been on a crazy run, right? Yesterday.
SNDK? Yeah. That's been hitting a couple of your filters the last few weeks.
Yeah, it did, and I didn't take it. So dumb. Some of the calls went from 0.15 to
All right,
$2,000.
moment of truth on this 1 minute candle, y'all. We're currently up 40 bucks, now 30. I do not want them to backtest this. I want them to reject right here, right now, and give me a new low to get out of these with a handsome profit. We're keeping an eye. I'm just going to watch this for about half a second here, and then we'll get back to the flow while I'm in.
Oh, you're good. You're good. There's nothing much happening as of right now, so take your time with that.
On our Periscope, we did reject right there, 69.50 rejection. I want them to accelerate through this 69.45. It's not very heavy negative gamma, so I'm not highly confident in continuation yet until they lose the light positive gamma at 69.40. 69.40's gamma is trailing toward the negative side. I don't even have my damn screen on. There we go. Here was our rejection, 69.50. I need them to lose the 69.40 that's starting to trend toward the negative side to give me acceleration to those 69.35s and 69.30s I mentioned earlier with a full target at 69.25. I don't think we'll get there. They might just hold this support here and stop me out, but just showing you guys what I'm looking at here. Keeping an eye on SPY, literally the same pattern, just smaller time frame here. I scalp on the 1 minute to the 3 minute. On SPY, with futures, I do 1 and 3. On SPY, I use the 1 and 5. Again, the top of this 5 minute candle at 692.31 is our stop. Our target is a new low of day to trim off 2 of these 3, and we'll leave a runner for glory. I don't like that they're stalling here, but just showing you guys what I'm looking at. We're still in this trade. Let me get a new 5 minute low. You sweet, sweet, beautiful SPY share sellers. Give me some spice. I got some making up to do. I messed up yesterday. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. I'll manage this trade. They might hear the ding before you guys hear me say I'm out, but we're still in it.
Looks like we had some arm openers too. Arm. Yeah, seems like it. Arm here. Hasn't
All right.
come up in a while.
Give me that new 5 minute low. All right, baby, let's go. Give me the new low. Give me the new low. I want a new low of day. Low of day, currently 691.60. If you don't include pre-market, I want new lows right here, right now. Too much of a bounce. I'm going to click this place order button and take my profit at whatever the hell percent this is, 22%. I want more, but I'm not going to get greedy today. If they bounce out on this 5-minute candle, we're going to close, take our profit. This is a bearish pattern right here. It's a stair step. Step 1 at the high of day. Step 2 right here, 692.84. Step 3 at my stop. That's why it's my stop. I don't want them to take that stair step back. I want this to continue pretty much right now. Right this second. Give it to me.
Give it to him.
Give it to me, baby.
Victor is asking you, what is Gamma? Still learning options. He wants to know.
I have links for you, my friend. There's a full breakdown of Periscope itself by coworker at Unusual Whales, Dan Wagner Co, breaking it down. Gamma is one of the Greeks. I'm going to go to our website quick. Actually, Tucker, can you go to our website? I got to manage this trade. Go look at, in the information hub, type Greeks, and Gamma will be of the first one.
What says good morning? What's up, what?
But it measures...
What are Greeks?
It measures how much another Greek, Delta... Gamma technically measures how much an option's delta changes for every $1 move in the stock, but I don't get nitty gritty with it like that. I just watch their exposure with that Periscope tool that I've had on screen today. They are making me sweat for this new low, bro. Look at this. They're just hanging out. They're just hanging out. Knock that shit off. Go down.
It's like,
Tucker is putting Gamma information in both chats right now. Highly recommend the Periscope videos on the Unusual Whales YouTube. I'm going to trail this to the 1 minute. If they bounce out of this on the 1, I'm going to get out. I don't want to put too much risk on this. We're up decent. We don't need to be heroic here.
Starting off at bid side.
All right. This 1 minute is acting like it's going to give me my new low, folks. It's acting like it. It's acting like it. I'm going to trim 2 off right here and leave a runner. Where's my order button? There we go. This...
Where is my order button? What the hell is that? He goes, where is my order button? This is why I use a computer.
You can ask my girlfriend how many times I've clicked the wrong freaking button. Now I'm using the F-bomb. I click the wrong fucking button all the time. It is devastating.
You're twice together.
It is devastating when it happens. All right, I'm taking 2 off right here, because they can really forcefully bounce out of this. We just took 35% on 2 of 3 contracts. I want this 1 minute to keep rejecting this EMA right here like it's been doing. You see how it's like boing off, boing off, boing off. Here's my new low. New low a day just hit. Let's get continuation. How's my Periscope looking, y'all? How's my Periscope? Down Periscope! All right, that flipped to negative Gamma, 69.40. That was gonna be a support zone. I want them to accelerate through this shit right here, right now, to give me some extra spice on our runner. I'm keeping the runner's trail out to the 1 minute because the 5 minutes going to take a lot of that gain away from me, and I don't want that. I don't want that. We don't give our gains back. That's why I yell at Jay-Z whenever he leaves a runner's stop at break even. That's up like 200%. What are you doing? Take the hundo, baby. Take the hundo.
Nah.
All right, what do we at?
I gotta be a degen, man.
We're still at 30% on this contract. Give me acceleration right away on this 5 minute. There we go. If we take out pre-market low, there's no reason for me to close this until lunchtime. Pre-market low, 691.29. We're cents away. Gimme. Come to Papa. Oh, no, I was wrong. Holy shit, it's way down there at 690.88. I'm going to close this shortly. I'm not going to wait for that.
Also,
we're accelerating, though. Hold on. Let me pull Gamma back up. Let me pull
I
up
will
Periscope.
say, though, Amazon is going the opposite side of that, too. So
what is everyone else doing, though? Because Amazon alone isn't going to prop this up. They ain't NVIDIA.
What was that? Where can we find that again? I forgot. It lets you check.
The correlations?
Yeah.
Oh, you won't need correlation. You can just look at what they're doing. Like, just type in, like, Microsoft's ticker. Type in NVIDIA's ticker. They're not giving me any reason to close this yet. If they bounce out of this, they will, because this could be, see right here, how both of these candles touch. The pre-market one acted as resistance from that gap down. We're just kind of filling this gap right now. Right here, right now is where bulls are going to want to push this back up after filling this little gap. If they can, we get out, good trade. If they can't, we don't get out, good trade. Here we go. New intraday low here. Let's see if we can go way down to take out those pre-market lows. I'm not going to be too risky.
Nvidia is pushing up.
We are back above 2,000 on the account. I'm taking it. Good trade.
Nvidia is pushing up.
Good trade. We're out.
Tesla is down.
From 87 to... Would you load, damn it? Oh, okay. I just had to make sure those filled. Sometimes I get that ding and I don't get filled, and then I eat shit on the way back up.
Thank you for checking the hammer.
It's not giving me my... It's gone. Maybe my shit's just lagging. It's not getting... There we go. 87 to 111 and 87 to 123 on that scalp. Good trade. We're back above 2K on the account. That is 100% portfolio balance increase from our start of $1,000. Like I said, our target is still 5,000, and holy shit, I closed that preemptively. Look at her go. But that's fine. Good trade. And that, my friends, is how I scalp Periscope. Right there. Now they might give me that acceleration to that 69.30, though. But there's no re-entry. We're done with that one. We're done with that one. If they bounce back up and back test way the hell back up there, I'll probably take another stab at it. But for now, 1 for 1 on our Periscope scalps today. We made about $100 on that. Let's ride.
All right. We got a couple flow requests coming in.
Yep. Drop the links in the chat. One from TA Trader who asked about AVGO 310p on January 16th. Let's look at that first. We also have one from Anthony, but I don't want the power to go to his head, you know?
Yeah.
I can't just always do what he wants. It's not his show, dang it.
We'll have him on again soon, though. That was a fun episode.
Yeah.
I like having the homies on. We joke around.
And then
PLCE, Jay-Z.
Yes, is it doing it?
It's doing the thing, baby.
Do the thing. All right, let me see.
They are about to put our $5 calls in the money.
Yeah.
That's that shit, dude. IoT as well is being spicy. We're up 72.5% on IoT now. We're only up 22% on these PLCEs. But let me go to a longer time frame chart. I'm still feeling cocky about PLCE. Jay-Z, if we can get above 524 and hold it as support on PLCE, look at this gap.
All right.
That gap goes to almost 7.
Do me the sanity and just please close one of them at 20%.
That's not going to do anything.
What is it?
It won't even protect downside because we have 5. Oh, no, I only have 3 of these. That sucks. Oh, I tried to get 5, and we didn't fill.
Yeah.
I thought you pissed had 5. And moaned about it.
I thought you had 5. Yeah.
Now, we got 3. Let me see what they do at 5 evens. If they give us a firm rejection, I'll take 2 off and leave 1 runner for... But, okay. Buddy, if we get above that, I'm eyeballing this gap. You know?
Yeah,
like,
that was another...
Look at it, dude. Well. Just look at that's a 1-day gap. If they conquer that in 1 day, dude... we're talking 200 to 300% on those contracts if they give it to me. Again, big if, folks. Nothing's guaranteed. You remember that beautiful graphic? Here it is again. There's no such thing as a 100%, right? That's not a thing. Like I said, I ate shit yesterday in my scalps. I just got a bunch of it back today. But that, you know, it's not a 100% win rate, dude. It ain't a thing.
All right, let me look at this AVGO put. I believe Joe also asked me to check something.
I'm gonna switch to your camera again. I'm taking a stony piss break. I need to get that flush soundtrack.
The flush.
The flush.
All
right, be right back.
AVGO was a request from TA Trader.
Yep.
That specific contract is not seeing much today. I'm guessing you talk about the ones prior to this. I'm suppose is what you're asking. We had a decent carryover from last time, from that time before. But today, it's not much coming in, right? So I don't think there's anything crazy today happening. Let me check overview on this. Broadcom. You guys excited for earnings season? It's around the corner. I'm super excited. You can see this. My casino is about to open up. I hate that. I said that. Yeah, I mean, you had some call flow today come in. Seems like if you got in the morning, they did pretty well. And then puts in general, I don't know. I don't see much love going in for puts. There's possible closers coming in here, at some of these contracts, but the calls. But as of right now, those puts don't not look happy. At least the ones we check. Let me double check and make sure we put those back into a few days back. What was it, 3 days ago? Did I just hear Nick flush the toilet?
Yeah, yeah, I think so. He didn't mute his mic.
So this was the candle that came in for AVGO. 1.5 mil over here at the 20 mark. So 178, 184.
My dad's name's Mark.
Right, thanks, man. Great.
I just wanted to contribute. I wanted to feel involved. Look at real quick.
We heard your fucking toilet, bro.
Yeah. Hey, you dropped an F-bomb too.
Hey, it's my first one of the show.
Hey, they didn't hear it though, and that's all that matters. But look at that bounce, boys. What did I tell you? I'm glad I got the hell out of there. They did not get to pre-market low. They bounced right back up into this gap. If the bulls keep pushing, they got a good chance to go back and test that 692.31. Rejecting right here at that same EMA. Jay-Z, I'm getting tempted again. Let me check Periscope.
Oh, he's getting the itch.
I'm going to wait. We got a pretty big drop in net put premiums here. Net call premiums aren't coming up with that bounce, though. I want them to get all the way to 69.45 before I jump back in. Otherwise, I'm sitting on my hands. We had a good win. Right, go ahead, sorry.
Question for you.
Yeah.
In your opinion, what does this 1.5 look like to you? If I can find it right here, the 1.5. It says it's at the ask, right? However, these are 59. They're not far apart, and these start off here at the bids, going down.
Too much, maybe, for me. I could really see that going either way. That time frame is close enough, and those fills are so consistent that could damn well be the same homie baiting in a little bit. I would almost lean sold to open on these, given how those orders started.
So TA trader, looking at this specific thing, right? The 310, the one you're talking about, the 116, right? The sold to open kind of makes sense with AVGO being up right now. Like if you looked at the calls earlier, the AVGO was up, which is why I wanted to see and figure out where the majority of the money was coming from, which seems like kind of a quote unquote, again, it's speculative, right? Like we don't know for sure what they're thinking, but that was the whole process. I kind of wanted to see where that money was. So
I just got it 691's taking one more stab at this with a very tight stop. Because like I said, they can bounce out of this vigorously from that Periscope view. I'm going to trail this to right there. 691.69 is our stop. We will not give back much of our gains if I get stopped out. It's starting to form a bullish reversal pattern. You guys might actually see me get stopped out right here on screen.
I don't think they
hope that makes sense, trader.
I don't think they can see it. It's just camera's still just on Jay-Z, by the way.
Yeah, I haven't switched cameras back yet.
Okay.
Like
You were just talking like you were showing your
I don't want to
screen,
click off of this because, like I said, stop is really tight on this. Give it a second here on this 1 minute candle. I really don't want them to form another little ooh-woo-woo shape right here. If they scoop up, we're getting a cup and handle reversal pattern, and I don't want to be in this position if that happens. They're starting to. You're going to see me stop out in seconds if this pushes up into that line I drew. All right, I suppose I can switch cameras back now. Oh, they're about to get me. And I'm out. That's fine. We took about, what was that? Where'd it go? Oh, dude. All right, fine, Jay-Z. Fine.
What?
I'm going to trim off a PLCE. I just opened up our positions. PLCE's doing well. Let me go there. I want to see what the bid-ask spread is so I don't get fleeced on a shitty fill. Fives. Are you for real right now, dude? Never mind. I'm not getting out. I'm waiting. Look at this bid-ask spread.
What are we sitting at on the bid-ask spread?
The bid-ask spread is... Oh, it's different. Am I looking at the wrong shit? No. Oh, I'm looking at puts. I'm stupid as shit, bro.
Yeah, what are you doing, Nick?
It's still a pretty wide spread, though. 60 to 75. If I can get a 70 fill, I'll trim one. Let me try.
Yeah.
Limit order. See if I can get a 70.
Someone will buy it.
I'll leave it on there. I'll see if it gets filled. If it doesn't, I'll drop it to 65. That's still a banger win on it. We'll be fine. Look at PLC. Oh, I wanted to get there. I want it there now.
Oh yeah. Good morning. I'm trying to say your name. It's hard. Cipher. I'm gonna just say Cipher.
Oh,
I
IoT. IoT is doing the same bullish pattern up. If it rejects here where we are, make that full screen. It's not a tiny thing. If it rejects pretty much today's high of day, it could be the opposite of that wick off W I've talked about for long. So that, you know, W up. If it can't clear this high of day, really, it's going to be the opposite of that, which is an M pattern and sends us back down. But I'm not sweating this one contract we have as long as they stay above this 35.29 today that I had marked. That was the break into the gap I talked about earlier that I really want to see to get us to 37. If they hold this as support, I'm comfortable. So we're doing, dude, our last 3 flow plays have just been boner inducing. We're killing it. I got to be honest. We're killing it. Don't get used to seeing us win. We're going to get fleeced eventually. I got fleeced.
Yeah, gonna get
it's going to happen.
Whooped. Especially when I start playing earnings again.
Oh, God, dude. Joe just dropped something in chat.
I know, it's the Intel. So hold on. I'm trying to
No. He did drop Intel as well. The newest one. WBD board rejects Paramount's offer in favor of the Netflix deal. What's WBD doing?
Nokia calls. Damn.
Oh, God, that brings back meme memories.
Woo, it's been a minute.
That brings back memories.
Look at that. Somebody's definitely expecting a meme play on that. I'm a stay an outie on that one, I think, for right now at least.
All right, we gave it back. We gave back about 30 of our $100 win on that, so it ain't no thing.
We have the somebody was asking me about AMD. Let me check AMD. Remember how I said AMD puts were coming up too, Nick?
Yeah, I did.
AMD's down. So that's another thing I was looking at. Oh, let me not do it on this one. Let me do it on something else. There it is. I already had it open. Yeah, AMD down 4% right now. $8 so far. I don't really know any news up on AMD.
If you scroll down on that preview page.
Oh, is that news?
Latest news right there.
Oh, you know what? I forgot about that. I forgot that existed.
Now, sometimes it catches unrelated shit, but for the most part, for tickers like AMD, NVIDIA, all of those, all accurate. Like here, it's all actually AMD related. On some tickers like Bloom Energy we were looking at, it'll catch things with the word B in it.
Yeah, nothing crazy yet on it. I don't see anything that's
innovate connected vehicles. None of that seems like bad news. It's probably it might just be moving around.
Yeah, this might be a sell off, a little bit of a small sell off. That is it. I mean,
1.6% is not like crazy. It's down 4% on the month.
Yeah,
INTC's kind of been having an opposite treatment, hasn't it?
INTC is going a little bonkers today. That's the flow that Jonah and Joe wanted me to look at. Let me look at that. INTC 19. It was the 46, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah. Oh, sorry, Taka, you already posted it. Yeah, look at that. Start off at 0.16. It is now sitting at 0.63. That is insane. I know Anthony posted it too, and when we looked at when Anthony posted it as well, it was at around 0.3, I think, and we were like, it's chasing it. Then it was at 0.4, chasing it more, and now we're at 0.63. And it's still ripping. It's up 11% right now. It's still going.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Joe named Joe. I'm gonna use my first F-bomb, I think, show for the entirety of the show. Fuck BA. I hate that stock. Worst thing,
dude. I was so tempted to chase those too. I'm so upset right now.
The Intel, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
When they ticked up to 25, I was about to say, screw it, I'm in.
Yeah. Would have been a nice little $40.
Damn.
Game. Anthony, did you get these, Anthony? He's going to take 10 minutes to reply now, though.
Oh, are they going to bait me into another put attempt here? They're forming that stair step I wanted right now. I'm not chasing it. We had some good wins today. I won't chase it. If they go without me, that's fine. I'll piss and moan about it, but I won't actually care that much.
I would like to see OI
Yeah, they're
on
about to
these,
go.
on these,
Fix.
Joe. To be honest, for BA, I would like to see a change in OI on these tomorrow. See if these actually stick before I even think about getting into it. No, actually,
Hunt's
no.
giving us a little spice too. We're up 30% on that now.
Sorry, before you think about getting into it, I'm not touching this crappy stock.
Big Boeing hater here.
Yeah, I hate that company. That company is one of the companies that almost made me quit trading forever.
Now, did the company make you do that, or did your decision making in the trade make you?
It was my decision making, but it was
there we go.
You know what? But it's like potato.
Yeah, we all got our superstitions. I don't touch Tesla at all. It hurts me in both directions. I give up.
Hey,
I'm not gonna fight Tesla. Tesla bros will buy no matter what. I ain't messing with it. We are up 90% on IoT right now.
Jeez.
I'm leaving it open. We got real close to 36 on that. New high of day, 35.82. They didn't even bother doing another back test at 35.29. They just went. I'm not just for context, folks. Yes, you can get greedy real easy when you see yourself winning, but there's context here of why I'm not closing this yet. And that context is finishing off this gap closure when they dipped to 33.63 here. Nothing at all in today's price action is telling me we should get out. This 35.29 was the first level to conquer. That's where they held the support before the dump. It acted as resistance on the first attempt up for the new low down here at 33.63. We've already cleared that. The next spots to clear, we've already cleared two, just little light resistance at 35.71. And then the big one, the next big one, way up at 36.78. That is where I want to go. The bottom of the initial dip here. Hypothetically speaking, they could come way up and close it to the first drop down to 40.64, but I ain't getting that greedy. We have a month on this contract. I can be patient with it, but honestly, holding beyond this point, way up here, again, you might even think that that's a little greedy way up here, but holding beyond that point would definitely just be being cocky. I'm going to keep an eye on today's price action. If anything, I'll take this profit at almost 100% today. We're at 90% evens. And then try to get in on a re-entry of a back test of 34.42. But again, I was telling Jay-Z earlier that I wanted that back test to buy more, and they said didn't give it. We're vibing, dude. Our flow plays are on fire this week.
Yeah, I just I'm hoping to sell glue a little bit higher as well. They're up 600% right now.
You're in glue?
Yeah.
I told you he was huffing glue this morning. I wasn't kidding.
Not that glue, but
absolutely diabolical.
I think they're up like super high today actually right now. They're even going higher.
Can you take me higher?
Yeah, 55% right now. Damn, those 17.5, dude. Look at that.
I'm expecting PLCE to come down off of these highs and backtest 475-ish before a new high. But if they just go, I'm not going to complain. They still haven't filled that sell on the one contract. What's our bid ask looking like on this bastard? 60 to 70. I am the highest ask. You guys are dicks. All right, just so Jay-Z doesn't get mad, then I'll take profit. I'm going to adjust this order, and we'll take 65 if they'll give it. On one. Where the hell? No, don't create new order. Edit order.
Yeah, don't create. You get double sell on that.
That would make me so sad. Because what usually happens when I don't leave at least a good amount of that position on, it goes and I cry. Why does it say the ask is 75 now? Oh, because I removed my 70.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if I can bait him into giving me a 70.
I don't think so.
Nope. It was worth a shot.
So.
All right, I'll take 65 on this. They'll give it to me 1 second. See if we can get it. Ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ding. All right, we got it. We're out of one at 65. That is a 60% gain on one. Put my damn fives in the money, guys. I want vindication so Jay-Z doesn't yell at me for closing all of them. For not closing all of them.
MDT 320,000. What's the market cap?
Oh, dude, the market's going right now.
Yeah, market's.
I'm
moving.
glad I got out of that second stab. Right now, they're trying to conquer that 69.50 again. If they do, we're heavy negative gamma right above. They might take a stab at 69.65 SPX
Bro,
on this
they're
bounce.
adding to this ore. These ore is getting more additions on ore. Oh,
Joe also
dude.
called out Rocket Lab again. We talked about Rocket Lab on Monday. It looks like they're still getting a shitload of call premium spikes.
Oh my god. Or are you gonna make?
So
me
do that
chase?
after Aura.
They're gonna make me chase. Are they gonna make me chase? They're gonna.
Yeah, I mean we should have chased that intel. And look how that went.
They're gonna make.
Got
me
robbed.
chase. They're definitely gonna make me chase on this. What are they? What are they sitting at bid ask wise, spread wise? 618, six calls. What was the other one we saw today that came in for?
I do not remember.
So here was on yeah, here the 5.5s for 2.6.
Tucker's gooning on his phone down there, I can tell. He looks way too interested in that phone. There's some weird shit going on in the bottom of her screen.
Hey, I'm taking inspiration from my good man Jay-Z, you know.
Shut up!
He just really inspires me. I just want to be like him, you know.
Tucker be like, "You're the reason in my life. You're the inspiration." Oh, he might be too young for that too. This is bullshit.
I just don't know music, man. I just don't know music.
Oh.
That's not new music's not also not gonna hit me like that. Sorry.
For my fellow millennials in the audience, this guy informed me some shit that happened to me like almost when I was done in college was happening to him in middle school. And I'm
not gonna lie about it. I'm in my prime. I'm proud of who I am. Proud of who I am.
We're old as shit, dude. Yeah, this sucks.
Shit. All right. Let me.
Hey, what's going on, Michael Kowalski? Thanks for joining. Don't worry that you came in late. We're going for quite a bit longer. And those of you who are coming in late as well, stick around. We got some fun shit at the end of the show that you're gonna love. And if you don't love it, I mean, hey, that's on you.
I'm gonna try and fill those. Let's see if they give me a fill at what I wanted.
Another new high a day on PLCE.
Kicking.
IoT is now at 102.5%. IoT is about to push over 36 right here, right now, Jay-Z. We might be getting the move we want. I really want them to clear these 36s to give me the spice. The heaviest resistance they have between here and 40 is 36.78. Most rejections happened there. We're sitting right at a light rejection, 36.06. I just want them to go through it like they did 35.29. They didn't tippy toe around this shit. They just
I'm
went
still
right
holding
through
for
it.
40s too, by the way. So.
Oh yeah, I forgot you had 40s. I went a little riskier and grabbed the 37s.
I know. Well, no, that's not riskier. That's being safer.
It's more expensive though. If it reversed, it'd lose value a lot faster and a lot higher percentage of a loss.
All right, so I end up getting these order calls. Let's see if I get filled. I put a 0.5 in.
Oracle?
Aura.
Which strike? Which
Aura.
strike? If you're taking it, I'm taking it on WhaleWatch.
618 6 call.
618 6?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Or AUR.
Oh, I thought you said Oracle. I was like,
no.
What?
No, Aura.
What?
Aura.
The 618.
Yeah, these guys trying to get filled at 0.5.
The sixes?
Yeah.
What's they doing? Oh, they're trucking.
That's why I said it's a little gambly because it's a chase. I'm chasing them.
I could almost call this a bear flag, but they're kind of loopty swooping and pulling. They're in the gap up that they had from 453 up to almost 5. I'm gonna wait for a dip.
Yeah. Put it on your watch list. Put it on the watch list.
I'll try to get a 50 fill on one. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if they can give me 447 on the stock. I'm gonna set an alert there. Ding for me. At. Why is there no at?
Chase those. All right. What was the next one that came in? So RKLB from Joe.
That is a double tap though. Is there any other confluence on OR? Did I miss that while I was pissing?
Yeah, remember I was talking about it in the morning too. Not in the morning, like a little while ago. That was the 5.5s that came in 940. So that technically morning. 206 is, I said, remember how I said it was 0.13 fill, but it was a 2003 volume. It's a 2.72 1/3 average. It is up from yesterday, though, I will say that, and prior few days. So this is where the 1/3 average started at a 4, and now they're up at 4.67. So they're expecting more
It's
continuation.
kind of looking like it wants to go. I'm not gonna chase it, and then I'll bitch and moan about it like I did Intel this morning.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. We already made money on the other stuff. Remember, we got some positions open. I'm just getting a little itchy.
This guy's making me fight my character.
Taking a dump. What is that? What is going on over there?
I'm fighting the urge to be immensely impatient, which is my biggest fault in trading. That's part of why I've really liked doing the scalps and stuff on live with all the audience members making fun of me when I lose. It keeps me honest. I overtrade sometimes.
Yeah, I also love that.
Yeah, I bet you do. Like, someone get him! Get his ass! Get his ass!
Get him! All right, let me look at these RKLBs because
Mr. Bright Side of the Road can't take it with you. What are you talking about down there?
Oh, that was the way.
What is going on in the YouTube chat?
Wait, what is happening? Am I reading it? I'm not even reading the chat. What's going on?
I don't know.
Godcat926 is
he's going off in there, bro.
Joe said the ONDS 12.5. They've been adding. Someone added from yesterday. Shorts closing. He said yesterday. Interesting. I mean, all this didn't carry over from yesterday either.
IoT, you are so sexy right now.
I will take. I'm currently, Joe. I'm biased because I'm in calls right now, but I will definitely like to see what else happened, what else comes in for puts if that was the case. But I'm currently sitting in calls for. It's been a while since I've been sitting in calls right now. Well, they're almost in the money too, so we'll see. We'll see what happens with it. But they're
AESI is being kind of a party pooper on the rest of our flow plays today. I gotta say. We're
yeah,
barely down on them, but it's just rude.
You were right about taking the 10 calls, so we should have done that instead of the 12.
Yeah, it is what it is. It's all right. We got time.
We got some time.
We got a month and a half on them. I still like the chart.
Then,
It's. I'm gonna be real with you though. On the 5-minute intraday, I'll just pop this up here so you can know what I'm talking about. If this doesn't swoop up like SPY did a bit ago. This is a bear flag, and it might go a little lower.
Okay.
But our position's not really that expensive. I think it cost me $90. Yeah, it cost me $90 total. If we let this go to 0, we're still up on the day, and they're not going to go to 0 today. You know what I mean? I'm okay. Yeah. I'm okay hanging on to these. Let me see what the daily. Yeah, they're still again trying to do that stair step to the upside. This little like really long handle, if you want to call it a cup and handle. I don't know that I would. But again, just like when we entered, the true stop out's way down in the 7s, and I'm not holding these that long. I'd probably get out of this on a loss of $9.16, and then try to re-enter at 841. These are all the zones. If I didn't show you these before, JZ, these are the zones I have on AESI.
Okay.
We've conquered the 916, 841 range. Now we've been toiling in this 916 to 1072 range for days.
I'll be honest. I gotta get better at looking at charts to be very.
We'll do a little like easy mode primer because I chart on easy mode. I'm not good at charting like a lot of the cool chart bros are. I chart with a scalper brain, so usually intraday. So throwing a chart on the daily, I'm just applying what I do on the 5-minute down to the 1-minute to the daily, and assuming with no evidence that it works the same.
Anthony roasted me for not looking at charts one day. He just roasted the hell out of me.
And those PLCEs and those IoTs are just sexy today, dude. I can't. So good. It's so damn good. It's so damn good.
Joe, yeah, I see them net premium RKLB going bonkers, like you said, the last 2 weeks, the call premium. So that's definitely interesting. It's following suit with the price up as well. And let me check the stock chart actually for the past few days too.
Once you're done with Rocket Labs, just go ahead and go to the overview for FIG.
Yeah, I know. I saw that, Joe. I'm waiting on up 34% this past month. I know that Matt or Mr. Earnings Whisperer from Unusual Wills has been in Rocket Lab, he got in I think 2 days ago, and he said it's been a hot topic for him. So seems like the possible and more love coming in. I guess hopefully we'll find out.
We've been seeing Rocket Lab get pinged.
Yeah.
Like the last
Rocket
several
Lab,
days.
Yeah. If you guys are not in Unusual Whales and you guys end up getting Unusual Whales, the Discord is phenomenal. There's a lot of stuff in the flow discussion channel, filters alert channel. There's a lot of information, a lot of good flow that's been posted that you guys can cross-reference as well.
Rocket Lab on the daily is bullish as all hell, though.
Yeah,
it's bullish today too. It's up to something.
The flow is bullish too. Like,
yeah, dude, chasing it just sounds so wrong when we're this close to its highs.
Yeah.
Is this all-time high? This is all-time highs.
Yeah.
Aha! Man, I wanna, but I'm scared.
Yeah,
these are all-time highs. Holy shit, Rocket Labs.
Remember when stocks used to be cheap?
Yeah.
Remember that shit when it used to be cheap? Hammer says R has a nice tailwind politically if the non-domicile CDLs really get cracked down on because the freight industry will suddenly be out of a lot of workers.
That's over my head.
Yeah, so over my head too. All I see is I saw some Hammer. I appreciate the info though. I'm sure a lot of people read that and probably understood that, but
oh, our old friend RR is trying to bait me again.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna do it. I'll wait. Damn it.
All right, let me look at Fig real quickly for the homie. What we got? I looked at the Fig.
Yeah, he was talking about the 90s, I think.
These ones, yeah, the 116s. Average of 0.01. What? Dude.
That looks weird. Go ahead and click on the volume can. I want to see that in the flow. What the hell is that? Yeah.
0.01.
What the hell?
Yo, this is like even
that is crazy.
Me. This is
I've used 195% on top of it. 90, dude. There's no way.
What the fuck is this?
This doesn't.
What is this?
Why? Is there anything? Is there literally anything else? It says premiums are at 408,000 total. There's
that is
nothing else. What even? And then there's an 80s for 905. You see those on the right? What is going on? Way over on the shared chains. Oh, the OI dropped anyway. That whole position's gone. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Bruh.
This is also gone. And then the 105s.
What's the highest open interest? Let's see where some of that came from, because they're much closer to the money calls. Not terribly long ago. They look bid side though.
Yeah, they are.
Womp. I mean, they're winning. They're winning a lot. Yeah. They're about to take full profit on that.
I honestly, who asked about this? Slay, I believe. Yeah, Slay. K Slay asked about it. This is very degenerate, even from my standards.
IoT's about to make that other leg up above 36. I'm calling
it. I don't know if I'd want. I mean, if I was just itchy, I would take a 1 or 2 of them and be happy with it. But this is crazy. The fact that there's a 0.01 hit coming for 90, which is 145% of the money. I mean, I don't know. Fig money. I don't know, man. You know what, Nick? I'm gonna just take 2 for $2.
It's $1.
It's $1.
That's not gonna happen, but that'd be a 300% move in the stock almost in a week.
Yeah.
Hey, crazier shit has happened. I'm not gonna take it, and I'll just nurse my wounds when Jay-Z sends me a screenshot of 10 grand made off of $1. But hey, I'm not doing it. That's the type of lotto that doesn't cost you anything, but it's just too damn ridiculous for me.
I'm doing it in full time.
And maybe that's going to be a clip of me looking like an idiot next week. We'll see. I doubt it.
God willing.
God willing, Tucker says.
PLCE's given us a pretty firm rejection off of 497, but
all right, we ride, baby.
Drop, I don't care. We're still riding on 2 of our PLCEs, currently sitting at 40%. Our IoT $37 call is at 103%, and it's starting to edge up to break over that resistance I talked about like 15 minutes ago. That'll make me
Joe
very
makes
happy.
a good point. He said those fixes look like someone who's holding a lot of shares, grabbing some premium.
Yeah, very likely.
Yeah. It's like this is just degeneracy. I'm a very big degenerate, so it doesn't matter if it goes the opposite way. I mean, who cares?
I ain't knocking
That's
it,
my
dude.
thing.
Who cares? It's
Yeah.
$2. Who gives a
Well, I
shit?
bought a little bit more than that, but
I bought 10,000 of them.
no, I didn't buy 10,000 of that. That would just move the stock in itself, I feel like, at this point. But let me look at some other stuff as well. TMQ, we did look at those in the morning, Joe. I think TMQ popped up over here. Nick thought that we're talking about TMC.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one
those
does taunt me.
They're actually, they went up from where they were to a 0.46, and now they're sitting around sitting around $35 a contract, 0.35. So interesting enough, I probably has more continuation. We'll see what OI is tomorrow when it changes. I don't think all this is going to transfer over, to be very honest with you guys, but we'll see. 4.05 is good. I like that. But we'll see. What is TMQ again? Is it materials? Yep. Dude, I've been seeing so
It
much.
just makes me think of THQ, like all those like dirt bike
Bro,
and
so
four-wheeler
much
racing games.
material flow is insane. So much material flow. All right, we got Anthony with probably one of the most expensive contracts of the day again.
Actually, no, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
He does have the most expensive contract of the day, though. He
Yeah.
sent it in this morning.
Some $800 or something.
It was like 600, I think.
Yeah.
He's
No, it was
trying to get
800.
that 2%.
It was 890. I'm
Was
pretty
it?
sure it was 890. Also, Nick, you're kind of quiet on my end.
You're quiet on your end.
Am I?
Wait, am I actually? No, there's no way. Sorry to everybody's ears.
No, you both sound fine on my end.
Yeah, it's just Riverside being a jerk.
Okay. 199.99. Well, sorry. 199.9. Okay.
You tried. You got it.
I tried. Okay.
You
It's
got
a little
it.
hard. It's a little hard. I haven't finished my entire tea this morning, so 59% of total volume, 277,000 in premium, 2% out of the money. These are pretty interesting. Love is Spirit Airlines. Is that it? I'm guessing. So 33. So let's see what 33 start off at.
Man, I'm pissed I didn't get in CLMT with you. That sucks.
Yeah, it's on a tear. Michael goes, "You're not. Trust me."
You're not that guy, pal. You're not
That's
that
my guy. That's my guy.
You're not that. He's like, he's not.
New
quiet.
High Day IoT!
Okay, you are loud. Okay, I forgot.
Yeah. New High Day IoT. I really want them to get that 3678 for me, Jay-Z. Currently at 106% on the $37 call with over a month and a half to go on the contract. If we get that high, I'm closing it and I'll be looking at rolling forward to a higher strike.
Nice.
For now, they're just setting another stair step up for us.
Dude.
Oh yeah.
IoT was a perfect mover.
I should have left both of those on yesterday.
No, you know what? Coulda, woulda, right? Maybe red drop instead. Who knows?
Hey, at least we didn't pull a poet on it.
Yeah, I know. I learned my lesson. The flow I play, I need to hold that shit. Like, hold it.
No, I like the 20. We just didn't have the size for the 20% rule.
Yeah. Yeah, Anthony, I do like these. I will add them to a watch list for sure. I'm not gonna take them, but I took JetBlue. I played JetBlue for a win a few days ago, so. But yeah, these look good. You should look good. What is it? 130 actually. 0.15. Not a lot, but still good enough.
We have broken above 36 on IoT.
Dude, it's striking, isn't it? NVO, 151,000.
I don't know. Oh, it's Novo Nordisk. Okay.
Yeah.
I do know. I thought they had a different. Do they have a ticker change? I thought Novo Nordisk had a different.
More Aura flow coming in. Yep, Aura is up. Aura is up. Oh, my contract's doing that.
Nope, I'm stupid. All right. Fair enough.
Oh, yeah, dude.
We've got put premiums in the market trying to come up a bit here at 69.50. Is they gonna? No, they're not gonna bait me in. We've got positive gamma below us now. Never mind. Ignore me.
I'll see if I can see if they'll let me fill at a 0.2. I'm gonna let that sit there for 20% on Aura.
He's got Aura. What, Aura
Yeah.
or R?
Or this one, Aurora.
I think there is an Aura.
Probably, yeah.
Maybe not.
All right, let me get back to trying to catch up with the chat. DRB is going crazy right now. Someone's saying, let me take a look. DRB. What? Did I read that right? You mean DBR? Maybe is it DBR?
Might not have.
It might not have. Yeah, it might not have.
What was the ticker?
DRB.
What the hell is that? I don't even know what that is.
McDonald's
On the
sent me a
Seoul
message.
Stock Exchange is something that's coming up. NASDAQ US Buyback Achievers Index. I'm going to go ahead and say there's no options.
Yeah, that's an option.
And I've also never heard of this fund. Interesting.
McDonald's wants me to come buy some food from them and said, "You want free snack wrap?" Snack wrap. Take a snack wrap.
Free stuff.
Free bird, yeah.
The amount of times I got that fucking request for that stupid song, dude.
FND. You just dropped a lot of F-bombs today, Nick.
I'm on it today, dude. I'm feeling spicy. And we still got some spice coming in at the end of the show, too. I'm keeping the spice on today. I don't give a shit. Oh, when is it?
Hold on. Trying to type something in. All right.
Actually, I can
FND.
change that.
Hey, Nick, I sent you le message.
Save that. Ooh. You sent me a massage?
Yeah,
Oh, dude.
Massage, bro. Oh, this is interesting, Joe. Looks like a newer chain. Looks like a newer chain.
You're a newer chain. God,
Not a newer chain.
I just roasted, dude. You're not coming back from that burn. You're screwed, buddy.
Just gotta get some chains and play new chains. That's what Brad needs to do. Get these new chains in. FNDs. 58, 58, and 23. So
I'm going to take one more stony piss break before we get animated and loud. Folks, stick around for at least the next 20 minutes because it's about to get spicy up in here.
Real spicy.
All right, be right back for real.
All right. What else do we have? What else do we have? All right, FND looks good, Joe. I do like it. I just the only where'd it go? Where'd it go? Too many tabs open, guys. Too many tabs. Let me go back to here. It is. The only issue I did see with it, I think, was that the spot is kind of at the middle-ish, right? And then the other issue I'm seeing is, right, when I'm looking at the spot over here and the spot here, I mean, yeah, they're 3 minutes apart, 2 minutes apart, quote unquote. But when I see this being 2.25 and this being 2.25 as well, right? And this opening up, I don't know. I feel like this would have always been the ask and this would have always been the bid, right? So I don't know. I might lean STO. I don't know. I can't really say. But it seems like when this
I hate bid-ask spreads. Like,
yeah, but look at where it like. I mean, it is 2 different timestamps, but right. Look at the 2.25. I'm guessing the 2.25 was always there as a bid over here. So I don't know. That's why
it could just be like spicy fill.
Yeah.
I tend to not over speculate on bid-ask spreads like that.
Yeah.
Because it's too much maybe.
I just wouldn't take it.
Yeah.
because
That's the type of flow that I see and move on.
Yeah.
Tucker, if you can, go ahead and drop the link to Indicators of Unusual Flow article from the site that Snorlax wrote. That is, again, folks, the best place to start is that article, and then the Unusual Whales Education and Site Guides channels on YouTube. So much information, and that Indicators of Unusual Options Activity article is peak. Very, very good launching point.
GWJK. Nope, doesn't have. GWJK does not have any options either, Professor. Just to let you know. Hammer says TMQ is a REE play. They're all going bonkers. CRML, UMI, yeah.
AOT, you are just so sexy today. That's all I can. All I can say.
Someone wants me to. OTF Chris says, nice stream. I'll give you 20 minutes. He gave you a 20-minute piss break, man. That's crazy.
Dude, I was full, dude. I chugged that coffee. What are you gonna do?
You're awesome for giving him that much of time.
All right, Jay-Z, I'm doing it.
Do it.
I'm doing it. Here we go. Guys, if I regret this tomorrow, blame Jay-Z, but I can't see 120% on a contract and not take profits. So right here, right now, live on the show, I'm closing out the remainder of our IoT position. Let's see if I can get a mid-fill here at 170. Boom! 118% on IoT, and you bet your ass I'm going to be watching for a re-entry, because that shit is bullish as all hell on that chart. There's nothing bearish about this chart.
I'm glad we got this yesterday. That was good.
Yeah.
Super happy.
I asked him yesterday if any of our flow reads from Monday dipped good enough, and IoT was one of them. We grabbed two. We took profit at 43% on one, and we just ticked 118% on that sumbitch. We're riding today, baby. We're riding today. Yeah. And if this dips down to 35.29 again, folks, right here where they held the support, that was the breakout spot that I needed from them. If we dip back down here, guess who's getting back in? This guy, because this is still bullish, but we're coming up into a little resistance here above 36. I want to see a dip for re-entry on a different strike. I'll probably go the same expiration date, though, because there's no reason not to. All right.
All right, MU. So somebody was asking, Bird extension period was asking about Micron. Wasn't Micron also on a tear this past few days? Oh yeah, it was on a tear this past few days. From 3:30, 3:10 to like 3:30. Micron flow for the day. Let's see, 109. Choopy. Lots of actually that's a really good post actually, but from Snorlax, which I actually like a lot. I think it's pinned on his main Twitter account, on the top of his Twitter account, and it has not all volume is the same, and it's a great like indication of what it is, and I actually love that. So you guys should definitely check out his Twitter X account and see that pin post. Tucker's going to drop that link.
Yep, I'm doing it right now.
That volume.
I'm surprised we're not doing it right now.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Got it.
Thank you, sir. But yeah, MU's been on a run as well. So I want to see more so like more love coming into it. This one is interesting, but I would like to see a little bit more love into it before I think about looking more into it. Some of these bigger names, I'm not really a crazy big name trader. I like to trade the unusual, weird names. Nick can attest to. He just looks at some of the stuff I pull up and he's like, what the hell is this? Like, that's the kind of stuff I look for, because that's what's unusual to me, and that's how I've
it's not unusual to be loved by anyone.
MU announced that on January 16th it will officially break ground on its new manufacturing plant in New York, courtesy of Joe Ninja. No, we are not buying coins. Swizzy, do not post that link on there, please.
Delete and ban if somebody's actually putting crypto shit in the chat, please.
Yeah, Swizzy motivates. You are being deleted.
Hell no. You're not pumping coins in our chat, dog.
Yeah.
Deleted by moderator. Let's see, how do I ban them? Actually,
please, no pumping stuff in here. No pump schemes here, please. And thank you very much. Get out of here with that shit.
This is not a real person.
Yeah, it's some bot shit.
Yeah, has to be. All right. What else we have? Hopefully that answers your question a little bit more about MU Bird. Just waiting a little bit more for a little bit more flow to come in, and for it to have like a decent enough like level off before I want to look into more of it. I'm sure we'll have some flow coming before earnings, right? Earnings season's upon us, so we'll have some interesting stuff coming in. What else do we have? Somebody asked about. Oh my God, there's another one coming in.
No,
Stop,
Swizzy,
dude.
no.
Just ban him. Just ban him. Don't even do it. Just ban the dude from the.
I don't.
Let me see if I can.
I can mute them at least. Let me do that.
Twitter managing of
No,
chat.
Stop,
no.
dude.
Now I'm getting
Just ban
echo
it.
because I need to pause. God. How do I open the chat on this damn thing? There we go. Oh, let's see if I can do. Oh, it's not. There's no chat history. I can't do shit.
Bird
There we
Because
go.
I'm muted.
What you buy put? No,
Oh,
I would
nice.
not
All
buy
right.
puts on MU. I'm just saying I would like to see more flow in any direction, particularly for MU, before I can think about getting something in. Right, I would like to see more volume come in. Not enough volume as of right now for me to even think about anything. But I will be definitely watching it going to earnings. I think earnings is when is earnings date on this? Expected date. How do I check? 3/19.
319.
Yep.
We're a little bit off of the next earnings season. I believe we just kind of ended. Going into
Yeah.
the end of the year.
Well, I think we're starting up in a week. I think. So
Who reports in a wink? Banks.
that's a lot that's actually reporting like the. Actually, there's some
Yeah, it'll
reporting
pop up in
today.
the earnings page.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna look up some earnings today, end of day, because we have some earnings today. So APLD is one big one I'm looking
Oh
into.
no, when I say earnings season, I mean big companies that people give a shit about.
Oh,
Like
I
Microsoft,
earnings.
Nvidia, the banks, etc. I wouldn't
what-
consider this like particular.
I
We
mean,
start
banks are
getting
starting
them.
next
Yeah,
week.
you're right. In a week,
Yeah.
we start getting some banks.
Yeah. And then here we go.
Yeah,
More
there's our
so.
spice.
Yeah, Netflix.
There's our
USB.
spice.
Yeah. Boy, am I excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it.
I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it.
All right, what's up next? What's up next? What else do we have looking into? Some contracts. Wolf, Joe named Joe. We did look at that Wolf this morning as well.
What's Voyage? May 40 calls and VOYG.
Yeah. So the one thing I did say about this one, Joe, is that the fill is a 0.13, where it's a 0.1 and 0.15 bid ask. I don't know. I'm not super keen on it. It looks interesting. I mean, the stock is down right now, but I'm not super keen on it yet. I would like to see a little bit more put flow coming in before I think about jumping into it. So I will keep my eyes on it though. I think I did add to watch this. Maybe no, I didn't.
Be right back and refill my water.
Sounds good. But yeah, I would like to see more flow coming into per se before I think about getting into more looking more into this, right? But yeah, there is still call flow coming in as well. That was prior call flow as well. So kind of curious to see what these 8Ps are, 116s. Where do we start on these slow burners? Seems like yeah, see how that handoff happened as well on this one, the 8Ps? Somebody different holds those. This one carried over, and then that was a handoff. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on this piece for a little bit until I'm a little bit more comfortable in seeing some stuff coming on. But we'll see. We'll see as we go on. What's the next one we have? Voyage, May 40 calls coming in. I haven't heard about Voyage in a while. Origin Technologies, May 40 calls. May 40 calls. Where did we see the May 40? The 515s? You mean the 115s? January 15th? I don't see any May 40 calls. You mean the ones that were from prior. Okay. So from yesterday. Okay. I'll take a look at it. We'll take a peek. So 1041. Seems like they're at the ask. A little good. 40% out of the money. 33. Increase in IV, no, decrease in IV actually. Earnings is 148 days away. Yeah, I mean, they're interesting enough. The 40s for next year as well. I'll be interested to see these. Yeah, for sure. These look pretty. Love these guys. The 45, 515, 40s. These look pretty spicy. We'll keep eyes on it. If I see a little bit more flow coming in, for that. What news do you think is coming, Chris?
Look with your special eyes.
What
My
news
brand. No 1-800 Contracts fans.
No.
Fine.
Yeah. Let me know what which contract you were thinking. Not the contract. What news do you think is coming in? / what do you think was probably the catalyst? First target 45. Interesting. Yeah.
And why is my camera trying to focus on my titties? I know they're voluptuous, but leave me alone. Damn. I sit down and it's like boobs.
Yeah. Let me know about why and what news you think is coming in. Then I'll see what I can think of as well if there's anything. All right. Next up, any unusual flow on MSOS out of a few months.
Oh man.
Use the
Don't get me started
on cannabis. I mean, I'll be honest. I mean,
nothing changes till a document's signed. I'm dying on that hill, and I'm right. Go look at that already. Look at that. Look at that. Go ahead and set that to 30 days. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I mean,
everybody was getting really hyped up about the Trump announcement, and who was the naysayer? Can you remember?
Hold on. Here's the thing. We still made money on it, though.
So, yeah, I get that. I'm just saying. People were like, we got to load shares. And I was like, no, you don't.
No.
No, you don't. Wait. Even if you miss out on the first move, nothing changes until a document's signed. We've been through this over and over and over and over again since like 2012, bros. Cannabis news cycles are seldom news. You can worry about shares when something actually changes. Now, that said, MSOS has the most to gain. It is an American-only MSOS. It only holds American cannabis. So they have a lot of swaps in place for like TrueLeaf, Curaleaf, bigger companies in the States that can't use banking systems yet and can't list on U.S. exchanges. Once they can, MSOS gets all those shares. It looks spicy. Who knows? I'm of the mind tobacco companies are going to run cannabis companies into the ground. But hey, we'll see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, yeah, we can look at the flow. I play the news cycles too. I didn't want people to get all crazy and start buying this shit at $7 a share right before it dumps, you know?
Clydean's happy today. Comp is up.
Oh yeah, he was saying oh yeah. I'm gonna go ping him and see how he's feeling about that shit. I forgot about that.
Yeah, comp is up. All right, let's take a look at the filters real quickly. Let's go through the filters a bit more. MHK, what is this? 1%. No, thank you.
What is that, like Merck's little brother?
Probably. Consumer Clinical, Mohawk Industries. Bro, I need a haircut. I need to go get a haircut.
I just got one.
Bruh.
Like the other day, and now my hair's doing all this weird flippy shit. There's nothing I can do about it. I just look stupid half the time. But I look stupid even without that. So, you know, it's just adding to the allure of me being stupid. Another Oklo, dude?
Yeah.
That's Biopharm, right? Or am I stupid again? Oklo Health?
Oklo is utilities.
I don't remember. Dude, I'm stupid again. Damn it.
You're thinking about Okta, I think.
Probably. Designer of small modular reactors. Oh! We got some new homies, it looks like. Subsidiaries, Atomic Alchemy, Oklo Power, Oklo Tech.
Oh, T-Gen's back here. Oh, hello. Oh, it's already up. God damn
it is.
Oh,
no soup for you.
Oh, Mamma Mia.
Mamma Mia. Here I go again.
Damn, okay. That's a no on my part for that. Ooh, more Intel. No side. Intel, no side.
It stands to reason it's momentum based, though. Like,
multi-leg stock trade. Oh, it's
we got a cancellation. That's so they'll tend to flag the second order of 5,000 there, right above that. That's that was the replacement order for the one that got canceled. Ew.
Yeah,
I ain't even gonna try, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. I ain't even gonna try.
I'm gonna be like, that's gross.
Let's just assume it's bullish and their momentum, homies. So it's the closest assumption I can make, but I'm not even gonna try to dissect that right now.
Slay asking whether Altaria would be the better play than MSOS.
I didn't hear what he said. What?
Slay was asking if Altaria would be the better play.
Altria, like Altria Group?
Yeah.
Possibly. They have so much farmland, dude. My premise, my theory on the cannabis shit is that, yeah, MSOS, a lot to gain. They got swaps for a shitload of shares of True Leaf and Cure Leaf, which isn't beneficial now because they can't list on U.S. exchanges, yada, yada, yada. Shit like Altria. They've been kind of dipping their toes in the cannabis sector for the last, 5 years or so. Maybe 6 or 7. I don't know for sure. The thing with big tobacco companies is they own so much farmland that if shit gets federally legalized, and with how tobacco use is in the gutter and going down further and further every year, they're just going to convert some of those farms to cannabis and start growing that. I don't see any reason they wouldn't. If you remember back in the day, I did a write-up about, what's her name? Woolf? No, Virginia Woolf is a play. What's her name? Is it Fox? Is it what the hell was her name, dude? I suck at this game. Politician Fox. No, not Charles James Fox. Jesus. 1749. Yeah, that's who I'm talking about. Is her name Wolf? Am I going crazy? I'm losing my shit, guys. I'm losing it.
You are. It's too
no,
many
not the
people.
activist that the play is based on the premise. What the? Dude, I suck. Why can't I think of her name? Virginia. I think she's in Virginia. Am I? Dude, not Spanberger. No. All right, irrelevant. She was loading up like crazy on Altria Group shares and contracts in 2021 when that House vote happened. Or 2022? Irrelevant. I did a big write-up on that too, telling people not to get too excited, and I was right then too. I'm usually right about cannabis. I'm not buying shares on that shit until I see legislation. But Altria Group could have a lot to gain, yes. I won't say that they absolutely will gain, but they're big, they're rich, they got all the farmland you could hope for. No reason they wouldn't convert and run it. Mom and pop grows might have an issue with big tobacco once we legalize. If we ever do. I'm not holding my breath on that shit till, once again, legislation is signed. But yeah, MO is something you could look at for that for sure.
House up today, 21%. House has been a name I haven't seen in a while. I played that last year.
H-A-U-S?
H-O-U-S.
Oh, I was going to say Das House.
Up 20% right now. Yo. Marty Bird.
Although still negative net premiums into the rush, though. Look at that.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of preemptive buying on those. No open interest on the major contracts.
I don't know
sevens, I guess, but
let me look it up. This is a long ago play that we played. I can't remember exactly how far away that was. Dude, I think it was 2024 maybe? Or 2023?
If IoT does this next stair step without me, I swear to God.
Hey, stop looking at it.
I got to keep an eye on it, because if it dips down there, we're playing it again.
Oh, my God.
Hey, man. RR. That's all I got to say.
Fair enough. Fair enough. What's RR doing right now?
It's still towing around that 350 range. I want to see if it can hold $3 on another dip before I try to play it again. But I mean, 3 for 3 on a ticker. I'm fine with pulling a JZ and kind of just leaving it in the past.
House was the 1219 4C. Posted it on 6/24, so June 2024. Should win 1,000%. 4C, by the way, it was a four call. Now it's sitting at $17, dude. Insane. Oh Damn. My God, bro, that's insane. What was the other?
That's the merger with Comp, says Daniel Ospina. Oh, nope, it got deleted. Never mind. Mind changed by Daniel Haas Ospina.
Anything on SMCI? I did see some SMCI flow yesterday. I think Mr. Colonel Sanders also posted that stuff. On SMCI.
Colonel Sanders, is that his name? That's that shit, dude.
Finger licking good.
Bro just said Colonel Sanders.
He did. He gets a
actually
pass,
did.
dude. He's ESL. He gets a pass. He gets a pass.
Have you ever been to KFC,
I mean, the
buddy?
British pronounce lieutenant
Love
lieutenant.
KFC.
Yeah, the guy's name is Colonel Sanders.
The
You know
British
that?
still say
You know
lieutenant
what?
for
You know
lieutenant.
what?
To be fair,
You know what, man? You know what? Finger licking good.
Jay-Z's not British.
Yeah, but he's not English either. In any way,
Yeah, but that doesn't mean I can't make fun of him.
Yeah, we're gonna. I was just saying he gets a pass.
Finger licking good is all I want to say.
Dude, KFC hasn't been good since like the early 2000s. At least all the ones in all the areas I've lived in. They've been dog shit. IoT's doing it, man. All right, I'm gonna close that chart. I'm done.
Yeah,
I'll set alerts for the pullback zones for my re-entry, and I'll shut the hell up.
Yeah, that was full yesterday. I want to see what it was yesterday. Came in. Oh yeah, this one, the 213 38 calls.
Man, AESI is such a schlub today.
It's okay. I think it'll have its time. They're doing. I mean, entry was at 0.76. I mean, they're at 0.85. That's nothing yet. So, nothing crazy today. I would like to see something hitting a little bit volume over Y over here because none of these are doing that.
Yeah, Joe, Philip Morris is a good shot too.
So
Good
we'll see. We'll see about that. EPS get into it. Maybe yeah, Joe named Joe. What is this? Zambi.
I think that says we should play Marvel Rivals for the rest of the show. Is that what that is?
Hey, I'm down.
I bet people will watch that. You and me getting pissed off at an unbalanced dog water game.
What the hell? Why can't I join?
You were part of the you and me.
Yeah, you never come play.
The collective
games.
you. You don't even like us.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
No, true. Yeah.
Yeah, we asked you to. I message all the time saying, "Hey, let's play Marvel Rivals." Have I ever seen you?
You did that like
say,
twice, bro. You did like twice.
have I ever seen you say, "Oh, let me join"?
Yeah, and you're
I
0
got-
for
I
2,
got
bro.
stuff going on in my life, man.
Yeah, yo.
Plus,
over
Jay-Z
two.
really likes it when I carry him.
Yeah, I'm terrible at the game.
That's true.
I'm a
It's
Spidey
it's a kink
main,
for him.
and you
It's
got to
kink
have
for
a
him.
really strong touch of the tism to make him useful. Let me tell you, they have nerfed my boy into the ground. No, dude, Joe, Rivals is worse.
Overwatch
Rivals
better.
is so
I play
much worse.
Overwatch.
The balance
I
of
play
supports
Overwatch
and Rivals, dude, it's unplayable. It's all poke and healer slop. It's depressing. Dive doesn't even exist in Marvel Rivals anymore. It's bad. It's rough out here. But Overwatch, Joe, if you haven't played Overwatch in a few years, get back into it, dude. They stepped it
I'll
up.
play with you.
They
I play
stepped it
Overwatch,
up.
too.
Dude, I play a mean pocket mercy. Let me tell you.
I play Soldier 76 like every single COD player does.
You guys, knowing that I'm a Spider-Man main in Rivals, you can probably guess that in Overwatch I
Genshi.
play Wrecking Ball because you can flip around the map on a
sure.
chain and then body slam people. It's awesome.
I play
Reddit,
a mean
dude?
aggressive Brigida.
Ooh.
I
See,
love
the
getting in there
thing
with
with Rivals supports, you can literally play at least 3 of the supports as a dive hero. They're so overtuned with self-healing, with damage output. It's like, how are you a healer? I don't get it.
Hey Nick, these CRWVs, the core views, right? Someone's buying 87 calls for 2D expiration. That's kind of interesting. Why is somebody buying that?
I don't like that.
Yeah, I don't like that either. But I'm not interested in them though. Huh.
I mean, it's not crazy. I just don't like 2DT spicy.
Yeah, that's the thing. The 2DT is spicy as hell.
That's a little spicy for me.
But they are like majority is all coming in at the ass besides some of these. But I'm guessing they start off here, somewhere here the ass too.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Piece of candy is right. 11% for it. I mean, if it runs 10% overnight, like these are gonna be a lot of money. But how much was the premium on this? 51K.
I mean, not crazy. It's like it's not that.
I don't know.
$30, dude. We just took a 118% banger this morning. I'm gonna, dude. Fuck it. I'm buying one. Just one.
I would just say hold off for right now. I'm gonna say hold off.
$30.
Yeah, but the market cap on this is 30 billion. You're paying. It's
Yeah,
like,
you're right.
Yeah,
You're
it's
not
like
wrong.
yeah,
It could be like a sneaky sell to open too.
yeah.
You're right. I'll be responsible.
Yeah. If anything, we should have probably done it for. If anything, probably like a month out. But there's not enough flow on Corby
Yeah,
right now.
I won't. I'll chill.
Watch it just go to fucking 10,000% tomorrow. I'm
I'll
gonna
be
crying.
good.
Crying. XTI is up today too, 18%. Jesus.
Dude, a lot of shit's running today, and lucky
It's
for
been running for
us,
the
a
past
lot of
week
shit
now.
we were holding ran today, so we're vibing. PLCE is still trying to bull flag. No reason for me to close those other two yet. These other two can go to break even, and we still made like what, like $40 on it. Nothing crazy, but hey, we're not going to go red on this position. Yeah, we have, dude, PLCE. I really want that gap fill. I'm leaving this bad boy open.
Yeah, get it.
I want it. That gap fill would be the sexiest thing we've done since the show started. I'm gonna be real. And that includes that $600 spy scalp that I then ruined the day anyway.
Let me look at my interval flow stuff. I forget. Interval flow is such an underrated.
Interval flow is the shit, dude. I barely look at the raw flow feed unless I'm coming from interval flow.
Yeah.
My main filters are all on interval flow for flow.
Yeah, my custom alerts are all based off interval flow.
Otherwise, as you know, I live on Periscope. That's my house.
Shout out to Dan the Man for introducing me to interval flow. He was like, "Go check out interval flow." I'm like, I checked out. I'm like, "Oh yeah, oh yeah, this is great."
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Com calls. I'm trying to see. This is built off of 1/3 average. I'm still testing it out. It's not good, but it helps me to figure out certain things that have a decent 1/3 average coming in. Ooh, SSLS. Somebody close these? Yeah, they got cooked. Something closing them. Pre-RMB. I played that a while back too. They're already up 8%.
Dude, that put play earlier was like the only thing there is right now.
Which one?
Scalp wise, I mean.
Oh yeah, for
Yeah.
scalping. Yeah.
We're about to go back into that range of 60,
I mean, just buy calls in the
169.
morning, bro.
I guess. No, that was very much a buy puts in the morning. The puts made way more than those calls would have. How dare you?
How dare I? How dare I say that?
My brain works best in downside. I'm not necessarily bearish the market. I just like bearish setups
Oh,
more.
noodles.
Noodles.
We getting back in noodles? NDLS.
Noodles.
Noodles. It is noodles, by the way. I'm gonna add that watch list actually. I made some money off noodles last time.
Do the noodle dance.
Did a
PB&J
noodle dance.
Otter? Anyone? Another childhood
Ooh,
cartoon that Tucker wasn't even alive yet for?
it was a nail. Look at this volume to
Let me
damn.
chill, man. Just let me sit on my white ass. What's your deal? What's your deal?
Hey, settle down, kid. The adults are talking.
All right.
It's just okay.
Tucker, you're not even that much younger than me, I think.
I'm 25 right now.
Oh, you are much younger.
Oh, that's not like
All
crazy,
right.
I guess.
All right, man. Okay.
Damn. I am pretty old, I guess. 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0.77, 0.35. Interesting. What do we get a point?
Man, what are these spreads, bro?
You know, I don't know either, but
I was kind of hoping shit would tighten up a little.
Well, these are also like these weird names that you're never gonna find out, like SUPN and stuff like.
Yeah.
Healthcare again.
Those are just a low liquidity issue.
Yeah. But it's interesting to see what is there coming with a higher 1/3 average. I'm trying to figure out if I can see that and coincide that with some flow.
Even flow.
eToro.
Like butterfly. Oh, even though.
Gosh.
There's a double way, yeah.
I think it's going crazy. All right, back to this. Anything else? CTRA. I saw some CTRA yesterday. Oh, some people are posting some stuff finally. Michael says GME 23.5C. I got you.
GME has been in permanent high open interest shenanigans for pretty much since this, to be honest. What do we got going on here? That seems silly.
Oh, 119. Sorry, 19. This is the 1923.5 19. Here it is. 26,000 premium 0.07. I think someone's just trying to play the hype on this one, to be honest with you, especially with a ticker such as GameStop. They're closing a lot more stores. I'll tell you, up here too, they're closing a bunch of stores right now. So I don't know. This is interesting.
I'm shocked.
I'm shocked. He said they're selling Pokemon cards for over market price now. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Huh?
What would you expect? Them to not profit? What do you mean?
No, it's just they're already making a profit.
You think all the people that sell like gold bars and shit are selling that at spot right now? Hell no. They're taking their money.
Joe Nimjo goes, I too like to live dangerously. Yeah, no. I'll take those fig contracts that Slay posted over.
The Italian-made penis pumping me by Austin Danger Powers.
See, now that's a reference I get.
That was the reference he was
Swedish
making.
Penis pump, by the way.
Oh yeah, you're right. I thought it was Italian-made.
Come
It's
on,
Swedish
man. Come
made.
on,
I
wait,
fucked up. And I
guy's
just
too
watched
young.
that
He
movie
doesn't
like
even
2
get
weeks
it.
ago
He doesn't
too.
even get it.
Anthony, you need to find your 2% portfolio. Watch your Pokemon cards.
You have a gong?
I don't have a gong, so I had to pound the desk instead. Because he just got roasted. Also, actually, I want to address that quick. We still got a little bit. We got a little bit of time before I start yelling and screaming about something. Anthony made a 2% gain on one of his big portfolios, his main portfolio, his good one. I don't give a shit if your portfolio is $100 or $100,000. 2% gain on portfolio value is good shit. So anybody dragging people for gains, show me your shit. Where's your gains? Why are you dragging homie for doing well? Get the hell out of here. We do not profit take shame here. I'll bitch and moan if I take profits too early, but we don't profit take shame. Get the hell out of here with that shit. Anthony's our boy. I need to find my Pokemon cards.
That's what I said.
Dude, I found out. So when I graduated high school, I gave a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh cards to a 3rd grader who was just starting to like play and collect, so I didn't play anymore. And I found out 5 of those cards would have paid for my college degree.
Dude.
And I just gave them to some 8-year-old.
My mom threw out my old ones. Sadness.
Damn. Yeah, that's pain, dude. Seeing what shit goes for these days, it just makes me hate childhood.
That is like my side thing.
Speaking of taking gains early, I won't say it. Never mind.
Shut up.
IoT's moving, bro.
Shut up. I won't go there.
Damn it.
Hey, BB 116. Look at the.
Hey, see if you have a 1st edition Red Eyes Black Dragon, Anthony, because that bastard's like 15 grand.
Red Eyes Black off from Yu-Gi-Oh?
Yeah, that was one of the cards I gave the kid, and I think it sold for like 12K in 2015 or some shit. I was like, that's a gut punch. I gave that and like 2,000 other cards to some kid. Hopefully he kept it and he paid for his own college with it. That's all I can hope for.
I bet it's in trash, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's a nice gainer, Joe. Will you be at what is it, press conference in front of the DC SEC building on January 12th? Huh? No, I am not going anywhere there. At least I won't be. David's asking.
Going where? I don't go anywhere, dude.
Yeah, I'm a homebody. I went yesterday to get groceries and buy McDonald's at the same time. That's all I did. What else do we have? Anthony says, "You see the TLTs?"
Toot. Bonds.
What?
Holy boomer request. Let's go.
I'm quiet as hell. Okay.
Oh shit. Not anymore. Oh my god.
Am I better now?
Yeah.
Fuck.
It was funny for you to say I'm quiet as hell, and you were really loud when you said that.
Yeah. It's like being loud's my job, bro. Get the hell out of here.
Yeah, Jay-Z, you're like the quiet, contemplative one, you know?
Yeah.
You're the thinker. You're the thinker, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We've been talking about this. It was like,
Sometimes you get loud.
Hey, so you know how I refilled my water?
Oh, no.
I already chugged it all. And,
Don't say it, man. Don't do it.
Dude, I gotta get the flush. I gotta get that graphic in here onboarded.
Aw.
Piss break!
I made you a graphic.
I know. I just am stupid and lazy and didn't have. Hey, what are you gonna do?
Okay.
Okay, right back.
10, 20, 22, 32, 23, 32, 48, 48.
Dude, he was so happy with that graphic, the Spider-Man PA. Oh, I was so
Yeah.
happy.
141 at the ass. Yeah, these look pretty interesting, Anthony. I don't like how it goes to 1.39 then 1.4 afterwards, but it is I think probably far enough I think to not make a huge thingy about it. Yeah, it's good though. That looks good. It looks good. VSTs puts here. How are you? Did you sell those, Anthony? Are you still in them? Oh, what is this CTRA? 800,000 in premium? Yo, what? Dude. This is now in the money. What happened to this? What's happened here? 800,000 in premium, 0.8. CTRA. It's basically in the money now, but damn. Oh boy, that was pretty hefty, huh? 4.991 to the average. What's the market cap on this? 19 billion. You see this, Nick? Oh, he's not back yet.
No.
You back?
Interesting.
Look at this CTRA, 800,000 premium.
Basically right at the money and still cheap. Pop open the overview for the ticker.
It's now in the money though, so. That's a lot of premium, dude, for a 19 billion market cap stock.
What was the expiration?
It is 2/6. I know it's kind of sus in my opinion. I know why it's like that. It's already run a significant amount from not a significant. It's at 0.9, I guess. It's not really crazy from 0.8.
25. It's currently trading at 90.
Yeah.
That's a pop from their bottom. Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's actually not crazy. I was too zoomed in. That is a bullish reversal pattern, though. Am I gonna do it? Chat, should I buy this? Should I buy the 25 call 206 on Coterra Energy?
Dude,
should I do it?
It sounds like a trap. It's so close. It's in the money already.
Barely. It's right there. I mean, I trade at the money contracts all the damn time.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I do for the SPY scalps, is literally at the money. But that's different. The 26s are only 50. How about this? Let me see here. Let me put the date. Ugh. Ooh.
Don't look good, right?
I mean, it could maybe get to 26. It's not pretty on the daily, unless that's a true bottom that they bounced off of today. It could be. That's right above a resistance they had, which was at 24.7.
Oh my god. Sorry, I just looked at IoT. Oh my god.
Yeah, shut up. Don't talk about it. I know.
Oh my god.
I know. I know. Shut up. Shut up. I know. We got 118%. We're fine. It would be more than that. But hey, you know.
It's probably
I'm not gonna get those CM whatevers. That daily chart is ugly as shit. Maybe news happens and I look stupid, but I don't like it. For those wondering, IoT made a new high, and they're very close. They're very close to my actual target. I should have sat on my hands, but you know what? I can't look at 120% on a contract and not take profit. I can't do it. If I had not taken the 40%, I would have left one on here for sure. But now we're just, being patient. I'll wait for a pullback if we get one. Now the pullback zone, since they're breaking up here, has raised 35.67. I'd probably add like a 38 for March. If they go all the way down to 35.29, I'd double down with a stop loss at
More TMQ coming in as well, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, materials. It's actually the original contract that we looked at that was up like crazy. It had dipped and it's a lower area. But I do want to see what OI is tomorrow on these guys. So
I don't know
cool.
about needing OI on that one.
Cool feature.
There's no evidence that first trade has come out. All of the volume after it in no way, shape, or form totals that first bar. I am willing to wager we see that open interest go up by a fair bit tomorrow. I don't see any evidence of an exit here.
Oh man, do I want some of these? I'm kind of itching for some of these.
Sixes are 644 days. I would be more inclined to look at those sixes, 5/5s. Personally, I like buying time.
I know you do.
Buying time has done us well on the WhaleWatch account.
It has, for sure.
How much has it ripped so far? Like, how much are we up on TMQ to begin with? My mouse is dying. Get the hell out of here.
They're not. It's not up. It's
not
actually
up at all.
So that contract, which is why I was like kind of curious that contract, if I can pull it back up.
Trilogy metals. It's a metals play. I mean, metals are being. Oh, it's up. Yeah, it's up. It's not up today much. It's up.
It was the contract when it initially came in was 0.3.
This was trading at 423 a week ago.
Yeah.
I mean, it's up. Dude, I'm about to say, screw it. Let's get one for February 6th. I'm doing it. I'm getting one for February the 6th.
Just buy one, I guess, and keep a stop loss on that.
65, 114% implied volatility. That contract's 15%. I'm gonna wait and see if they give me a little pullback to that $5 area again. I'll wait. If we miss it, we miss it. That's fine. Got me being responsible and shit.
That's good. PLTR. I love PLTR. What asking about PLTR?
I bet you do.
I do.
This guy loves war tech.
Yeah, we know.
No. Listen, I bought shares, and that's why I love it. Okay. 109 is what I see. I would like to see more volume. To be very honest with you guys. Person that asking me about PLTR. Yeah, it's running from after dip it had before. Look at the little stocky chart over here. Yeah, so it had that dip from 1226. It's dipped down at a 190. It was at a 190. What 4? It dipped down all the way. I did buy puts, and I was happy with it. 166 dip on 1-2 was last week, and then we are now sitting at a 184. Right, so possibility to come touch that back at top. Yeah, that is 100%. I wouldn't be surprised if PLTR does hit 200, but I'll wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit more to jump into more because I'm sitting on shares, and that's pretty good. So, someone says SPY's about to go crazy. Nick, you want to pull up the SPY chart?
Is SPY about to go crazy?
That's what someone just said.
I mean, it's edging up on high a day. I guess that depends on what their definition of crazy is. But yeah, I mean, it's looking like they're gonna break high a day with some fervor here. They're right up on it. Yeah, once they conquered these, look at these levels that I drew earlier for my targets on the puts. Look at that, a perfect conquer of it with a perfect hold right up to the next one. Little bit of resistance, came back down, held it as support, boom, new high a day. My intraday levels, I gotta be honest, y'all, I'm pretty cocky about my intraday levels. Now, when I start applying them to flow, a little less cocky because that's the long-term charting is new to me. But I'm operating under the hypothesis that it functions the same way, just longer duration. And so far, it kind of seems to be. But yeah, SPY's moving. New high day.
Andy asked about Tesla and AMD. I think AMD, Andy, I was talking about AMD earlier. AMD had a little bit of a pullback. I think just because it's a little sell-off. Tesla, like Nick said,
Tesla does Tesla things.
It'll do Tesla things. And then SPY about a crazy article for that. Can you please cover the press conference in front of the SEC on Monday the 12th? Big news is dropping.
Maybe, I don't know. I'll take a look at it. If it's something real spicy, we'll talk about it.
Your camera is off.
Monday's our show. I know.
Okay. It is on Monday, yeah, so we'll be fine. Yeah. We should be able to do that.
I gotta be careful about like what full conference. The SEC one should be fine because it's public. But a lot of people ask us to do like events like Apple events, Tesla events. We can't because we get DMCA flagged for copyright infringement. So you'll have to watch those on their own channels. I know because I did it, and then I got in trouble twice.
QNCX coming in, puts coming in. Therapeutics, maybe they're expecting some bad news. 2.11 monthly average.
You're expecting bad news. Got him.
Got me.
I'm pregnant.
0.9. Yo, what? What?
Huh?
What?
Just a
wanna say
little
that one
bad
again?
news. Hey, don't worry about it.
How many? What now?
What in the hell
alright.
is that?
QNCX healthcare company. I'm guessing they're gonna have. They're expecting bad news. Why this is here? Low historic volume floor. 0.9 is a 0.95. 0.95 here. 0.9. Interesting. I'm gonna add this to the watch list. Actually, I'm gonna keep tabs on this. It is up 6% for the day. Was there any news on this? Let's see if there's an overview of news on this. No news. Interesting. A lot of calls. Prior call. Oh, these are slow burn. Slow burners. All right. All right. I'll keep an eye on that. I'm interested in those. Haven't seen that name in a while. So haven't seen that name ever. TMC puts. TMC is also.
We
up.
played TMC. No, that's the one that got away. Damn it. I was about to say we played the TMC upside. No, we didn't.
I played it.
Yeah, I bet you did.
I played it. I did.
Under the covers trader. Get his ass.
No.
Get him.
No. I said I was taking it on live. That's proof on live stream that I was taking it.
Get him.
Can't get me for that. TMQ, there's more materials. Guys, there's a lot of, I don't know if you've noticed, there's a lot of flow in for materials coming in the past 2 days as well. So
Yeah.
I would like keep your eyes like glued onto material stuff because it's another thing to see unusual like contracts come in, but when you see multiple people trying to hit the same section, right, or the same sector, it's also a sign of maybe something to come, right? So just keep eyes on material, see if you can, see whether there are pullbacks and stuff like that. See if you can get like a good entry on anything, if there are any, right? That's what I'll be looking at some material stuff coming up as well. SGML
Again?
seeing some flow for it.
You played lithium.
I did. I played SGML itself. But yeah, I'm not touching that right now. I'm currently in some UECs. I also have like a so remember those MHKs? They got crossed out.
Pop it open. Let's see if it got refilled. Not yet. No volume increase.
Interesting. Yeah. So I'm a big proponent of if I played it within the last month, I normally don't play it again because I don't want to give back. I hate
that one ain't me.
I don't like giving back, so I'll find the next thing. That's just me, but that's why we balance out well, Nick. You go for those same ones. I'm done, and I'm on the next one. Credo. I did see those Credos too. The Credo 160s. $220s. Oh, I got a little itchy. Oh,
they're already spicy.
They're spicy. Joe is trying to compete with Anthony for expensive contracts over here.
Absolutely loaded with capsaicin.
Yeah. Capsaicin, he says. Yeah, they're up. They're uppity ups.
PLC looks good.
PLC looks good. That's good.
Yeah, they back tested that 474 level I brought up earlier and held it like an absolute champ. That added back. Fine. We still got 2 runners on this bad boy, and I want that gap filled. Gimme. Not this one, folks. Not this little guy at 523. This guy. 5.
Dude, more materials. What? There's so many more material. Again, some more material.
They're farming mats.
Jesus, man. That's a lot. They are absolutely going crazy on mats. Does anybody know whether there'll be any type of news possibly any type of news that's coming out or like any like data or stuff to help with materials. Like
I don't know
what?
shit about fuck, bro.
Again, use the F-bomb again. God
Yeah.
damn it. God damn it, Nick.
I'll stop when YouTube bitches about it. And they haven't.
YouTube
I think we wait long enough into the stream that it doesn't even get detected really, and it's not repetitive over and over and over.
I guess so.
For now.
I guess so.
For now.
Nothing as of right now. What about your interval flow, Nick? Anything on yours?
I was looking at it while we were kind of talking, and a lot of the shit we already talked about was hitting my interval flow.
Okay, that's good.
But again, we have very similar shit, honestly.
Yeah.
Here, what the hell is QNC? Was that weird ass one you were just looking at?
Yeah. Yeah.
MSTR.
Yeah.
CTRA. Google puts, but that's way out of our price range. Jesus. There's that MHK. Both comps still, the 16 and 17 that got hit too.
Joe, I'm in the Eric 4 calls. I think I posted that somewhere, I think on Flowdisk. I'm in the 4 calls expiring 5/15.
Those AUR are in here as well.
Nice. Sweet. I'm glad. But yeah, the Eric calls looked really interesting from yesterday. Like 100%. They look
Eric, like Sony Ericsson?
Let me see if I can pull it up.
That was? I had a banger on that in like 2022.
Hold on. Nick, I'm gonna send you a message real quickly.
No. I don't want it.
BG, PLCE.
Everybody, shut up! We got some breaking shit! Hold! Oh, I just broke it. I broke Twitter, y'all.
Talk again?
Here we go. No, you're not allowed to talk yet. The Unusual Whales 2025 Congressional Report is out! Political traders! Let's see what we got going on here. Here's the full report, the initial tweet. I'm going to open up the actual report. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm going to full screen this shit. Not examine. Oh my God. All right. Intro. Outlining Unusual Whales. Here's the key findings up here in the corner. Is my site showing correctly, by the way? Is my shit showing right?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, it's gray.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. God, I'm stupid. Oh, interesting. That's kind of a new. Usually on these reports, we see a lot bigger performance from politicians here. Only 32.2% of Congress beat SPY last year. 170 million in stocks, only acquired 125 million. 57 million into bonds, 32 million into munis. Oh, shit. I'm going to zoom in on that. 1,200 plus late Stock Act disclosures from 40 politicians. Bro, we got to stop that shit. Late. That means they're breaking the rules of the Stock Act's reporting requirements en masse still. After years of these reports, they're still doing this shit. Both the Nancy Democratic ETF and the GOP Republican ETF beat SPY by pretty similar margins. 20.8% for Nancy, 18.8% for GOP. More intro. Oh, yeah! Look at these unusual poly market trades. A lot of them. I'll talk a little bit more about that when we get to the end of the report here. I'm not going to read it word for word. I'm not going to do all that shit. A little bit of a bit on the quote-unquote Liberation Day where we got liberated by a 12% correction. I felt liberated. Did you? The Genius Act. I want to get down into the nitty-gritty here. Let me go back up to the Disclosure trends. 2025 disclosures revealed distinct shift in congressional portfolio construction. While legislative tension remained high on digital infrastructure and cryptocurrency regs, members appeared to execute a broad rotation out of equities into fixed income vehicles. A lot of defensive posturing in software removal. Looks like they're retreating from software and financial services in exchange for government debt and hardware. So here are those totals I mentioned right when we opened this bat up. A total of 125 million buys in stocks and almost 170 million in sells. So that seems a little backwards from prior reports. Looks like there's a little less accumulation going on by Congress. Bonds, obviously way up. 57 million in purchases, only 3.1 million in sales. Munis are the same story. Options, 5.3 milli versus 4.1. Crypto, a very big disparity. 2.9 million to 120K. More transactions disclosed. Who just had alarms go off? What's happening? What's happening? Tucker's computer got really excited about the congressional report.
How would it possibly have been mine?
Look at that sell volume. Is you seeing this shit?
Yeah.
That's monthly trading volume. So much sell volume compared. Here's the Senate. Still a lot of sell volume.
Yeah.
Broader equity sell of specific industries attracted concentrated buying. Tech split. Technology is still number one. Who's shocked? Everybody remembers the Nancy Pelosi NVIDIA thing we covered last year. That was crazy as shit. Financial services, banks and stuff. A lot of exiting. I want to know more about these late reports, because 1,200 across like 40 politicians is batshit, dude. That's like hundreds of late things per person in some contexts here. That's insane. LBR, DK, a lot of communications buying going on here. Eli Lilly's up here in healthcare, which kind of makes sense given what's going on with Medicare. It's not crazy that people would accumulate if they know what's going on, which they do. All of this shit's happening on things that they themselves regulate, and that is, pardon my French, beyond fucked. 1,200 late reports in 1 year by 40 politicians is insane to me. We need some new shit. The tech exodus, Republican flight to safety is what they're calling it in the report. Divested 107 million in stocks while simultaneously pouring 48 million into bonds and 29 million into municipal securities. Tucker, if you haven't already, spam this link so people can read this on their own too.
Yep, let me find it.
Trade volume each sector. Appropriations 95 for the Democrats. Natural resources at a 42. Financial services at 67. Republicans are looking again at appropriations, ethics. What's this 100? House administration. 100. Dude, this is bonkers. Several high-value overlaps where members traded directly affected by their legislative purview. This is the shit that's most insane to me. Like, you talk about a conflict of interest. Here's this top one. Representative Michael McCall, Texas 10 District, serves as co-chair of the Congressional Semiconductor Caucus and the Congressional AI Caucus, pretty much forefront of U.S. chip policy. While doing all of that, he disclosed $1.1 million in trades involving NVIDIA. Bro! The architect of semiconductor advocacy is also an active participant in the market he promotes. Here we've got Senator Sheldon Whitehouse of Rhode Island, Senate Judiciary Committee. That body's responsible for antitrust enforcement and scrutinizing big tech monopolies. And in 2024 disclosure, up to 5 million in NVIDIA. Once again, with a 250K liquidation therein as well. Senator Dave McCormick, Pennsylvania, member of the Senate Banking Committee, executed one of the year's largest individual sector moves of a sale up to 5 million in Goldman Sachs. Dude, I can't even with this shit. Get that link out, guys. Read this in full. Whale puts so much work into this shit every year, and this year doesn't appear to be any different in terms of the shady shit that congressional traders can do. And
I dropped that in both the YouTube and the X chat, so whoever's watching this right now, give it a click yourself so you can freely scroll around and read through this a little bit more in depth. Obviously, Nick's doing a good job going through it, but nothing beats analyzing it yourself. Don't rely on others.
Not a whole lot of beating the market, though, guys. That's interesting to me. As far as like full portfolios that Unusual Whales tracks right here on site, we have the portfolios feature that you can subscribe to. Where the hell, dude? I am just losing my brain right now. Portfolios. On Zoom. Like, you can track all the portfolios and shit in here as well. But only 32% of those beat the market. And down here, we've got the graphic outlining that as well. The weighted aggregate return. Democrats lagged the market 14.4% across portfolios of gain versus 16.8 on SPY. Republicans just barely beat the market by about 0.5% here. Google, top dog Top dog in 2025 was Google.
Yeah.
Both of the Googles. TSM right behind AVGO, SMH. I mean, again, we just looked at the top of the report. There's a shitload of tech stuff going on. Not surprisingly by people who tend to regulate tech. These are the most active members here. Ooh. Representative Chip Roy had a negative 59% return. That's an ouch, bro. That's an ouch. Oopsie.
Anthony said Chip Roy inverse port incoming.
Maybe. Ouch, bro. Who's the top dog? Representative Warren Davidson of Ohio, 78.8% return, followed by Representative Donald Norcross of New Jersey, 70.8%. Terry Sewell of Alabama, 9.7, 62.5 for Brian Style. Dale. Oh, the interactive on the thing as well. You can see all members just by clicking those interactive buttons up top. By default, it's set to active members. You can flip that shit to all and see everyone active and inactively serving and what they did. Dude, the charts are cool as shit this year. All right. U Sonar. This is cool here. I snuck peeked this. I got a sneak peek on this bad boy in the past. Suspicious trade detection radar, baby. It is kind of cool. Again, I'm bringing it up. 32.2% beat the market. They were lagging last year's. I have to remember what last year's was. But this is cool as shit. It's like live tracking unusual activity as it comes and is reported. Live feed active. This is fun. Do you guys want to like sit here and look at this for a second just because it's fucking cool?
It's a really good animation.
It's so cool. I don't know how to work my tabs when I'm in full screen, so I'll just untab.
What do the sizes of the dots indicate?
Percent return, it looks like.
Gotcha. Okay.
14-day here, alpha. Yeah, because estimated amount is there on the site as well, and that's kind of the same. Byte sizing, that's 15 to 50K. Maybe it's size. You wanna ask Big Blue so I don't misspeak here?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Just double check. All right, let's go. Actually, I want to see real quick. Let's do a little bit of a comparison here. Here is the 2024 report that was released last January, exactly a year ago today. Damn. So this year, only 32.2% of portfolios beat the market. Last year, Democrat portfolios increased by 31%, beating the market, and Republican portfolios grew by 26%, beating the market. So definitely a drop in who beat and who didn't from last year's report. Back to it. We were way down. We were way the hell down here. 32%, dude. I mean, on one hand, good. On the other hand, not good. Because 1,200 late Stock Act reports, dude. Like, shut up with that shit. Come on. Here's the violations. Here's what we're bitching about right now. Let's see the most egregious shit. 1,200 plus late disclosed transactions across 50 filings involving 40 politicians. Not just at administrative delays of a few weeks, witnessing historical dunks, filings that disclose trades made in 2023 and 2024. What the fuck, dude? Years late? Get out. Senator Mark Wayne Mullen of Oklahoma, the record for the most egregious delay. August 15th of 2025, he disclosed trades from January of 2023, dude. That's pushing up on 3 freaking years he just sat here on this shit, not saying anything. And his range was gaps of 609 to 939. That is some bullshit. Hey, so chat, I got a question for you. Is this shit fine? Like, are you cool with this? Genuinely? Are you cool at all with politicians trading, let alone on shit that they regulate?
Can I drop a poll in the YouTube chat?
Yeah, go for it, man. You can even drop a site poll, and I think we'll know the answer.
Right.
If the answer is what I don't think it is, it's going to be a problem.
Are you cool with what? With how should I phrase this?
Are we cool with congressional trading? Are we cool with this?
Congress? Yeah.
Representative Lisa McClain rep in Michigan, responsible for the single largest bulk disclosure of violating trades. 504 late transactions filed in August. Dating back to March 2024, again, well over a year late. Hundreds of previously unknown market moves accounting for roughly 41% of all late trades in the year. Jesus Christ, dude. This one representative accounted for roughly 41% of all late trades. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Representative Shri Tendar, also of Michigan, nearly a year late on trades and MicroStrategy, up 200% after he placed his first purchase. The standard defense remains clerical error or blaming third-party accountants. Yeah, no shit. Of course they're not going to blame themselves. We can't have accountability in politics, can we, folks?
The Joe name goes, I'm cool with it as long as the reporting is better. I say let them trade, just tell everyone else about it so we can... Fair enough.
Oh yeah, this is the Nancy Pelosi. Retail traders were hit with terrible news in 2025. Former Speaker Nancy Pelosi announced she would not seek re-election in 2027. Bracing ourselves for her final year in office, we in the retail trading community are going to gather to put a puddle on my floor and pour one out for the GOAT of the disclosure form. My friends, rest in peace to an icon. She's not dead. I shouldn't say it like that. That's kind of messed up, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Dude, I don't know. What more can be said about this shit? Obviously, we've talked about it and harped on it throughout the years. A lot of bills are being proposed to knock this shit off. Representative Rokana's been a loud voice about it, pushing forward multiple bills. You'll recall that we've talked about before his holdings that I believe were... Actually, let me find it. I don't want to misspeak. Here we go. Right here. He led the legislature in sheer trading volume with over 3,000 individual transactions, but he's noted on several occasions that this portfolio belongs to his wife and is managed by an independent third party. On the record, including an interview that we did with him, 2024, I think. Maybe it's at the beginning of 2025. The years since COVID just kind of run together for me. But even in an interview with him, he is a staunch, vocal supporter of putting a kibosh on this shit. And he's noted several times he doesn't have any stocks himself, and that Restore Trust and Congress Act to ban Congress from stock trading. A lot of trades behind him. We have Lisa McLean, again, that we mentioned earlier, with over 1,200 trades disclosed, made by her husband. She sits heavy in semiconductor stocks. Again, there's that NVIDIA. Most accumulations go to Representative Cleo Fields. Entered Congress this year as the top buyer with $24.2 million in various asset types. Again, we already looked at it. We're not surprised here. A lot of Google, Microsoft, just like we saw. Michael McCall, Texas, Representative Jefferson Shreve, Indiana, also two-way players. Dude, I don't even know what else I can say. I'm just kind of pissed off. It's like, I feel like an insider sometimes just with flow. You know what I mean? But this is bullshit. Big names versus reality. Volume did not guarantee victory. Marjorie Taylor Greene, one of the most active traders of the year, yet the aggressive diversification only returned 12%-ish, still underperforming the market. But I mean, a gain's a gain. A gain's a gain. Yeah, I won't harp on it too much here. We'll be talking about this for weeks to come. And I suspect we'll start doing a little bit more breakdown using that portfolio feature that I showed you a bit ago. Because, bruh, come on. It would help if I could type. It would help if I type. All right, folks, this is what I said I was going to bring up at the end of our little overview of the report. If you haven't read that shit, go read it. Spam that shit for them again, Tucker. I imagine they clicked it because they are awesome.
Well, they better have, frankly.
Unusual predictions. Tracking whale-like transactions in predictions markets. Just now being launched. I believe it will be included. Correct me if I'm wrong, Tucker, if you want to just double ping them so I can correct myself. I think it will be included in the Retail Pro subscription.
I think it said that in there before.
Oh, am I just stupid?
I think it said on there.
I might just be stupid.
Yeah, start off the 2026, right there.
Yep, Retail Pro. Yeah. All right. That absolutely hinges and focuses on shady shit in prediction markets. For example, one that I wish this was launched for was the Maduro captured one, because media knew about that shit before it happened. They just didn't publish it. And right before it happened, somebody turned 35K into 400K betting on him being captured. And yeah, I'll be checking that out. We'll do little segments on that moving forward as well, kind of outlining stuff. I don't personally gamble prediction markets, but that doesn't mean we can't look at weird shit that happens.
I do it.
If you can think of a market, weird shit happens. If there's a market in question, weird shit's gonna happen on it. All right, with that behind us, again, every show for the next few weeks, we're gonna talk about a different piece of that report because it's huge. A lot of information and work goes into that. A lot of coverage is necessary. We'll break down more unusual shit that we saw in this report next Monday when we're live again. But for now, I got
Anthony
a little
dropped
bit more.
question.
What's up?
He said, Anthony dropped a question. He said, how does it work for lifetime, though? It's an actual question from him.
I genuinely don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out. All right, I'll find out once I get a response.
Vigorous typing.
Dude, 1,200 late reports. For lack of better phrasing, eat my ass. Get the hell out of here with that shit. Come on. Martha Stewart went to prison, bro. What the hell is this shit? Come on. And she was flinging pennies, not 25 million fucking dollars, dude. Get out.
By the way, Nokia just keeps getting hammered, by the way. Nokia calls.
Pull that shit up. Let's take a look at it. I got a little bit more energy in me before I go steam in a corner.
Yeah, me too.
God damn, dude.
Look at that. 55,000 in volume now. Look at that one-third average.
Oh, IoT, you dick.
My God, dude. 2.6 million in premiums. Oh, boy. Yeah. Why?
Those IoTs are just laughing at me.
I'm going to take a look at it real quickly.
They're getting really close to that target now. I really hope they get there and reject and give me a re-entry.
Do you remember those HPQ puts I talked about? Look at
I don't want to talk about it.
I got out because the OI didn't carry over, and now I'm just so regretting it. And I'm just like, you gotta be kidding me. Can't win them all. Not win them all.
He's out here flinging Pokemon cards like they're penny stocks. He's like, I'm definitely gonna catch them all.
Hey, you think IoT will put mine in the money too? The 40 calls?
I don't know, dude. 37's the first one, bro. Don't get yourself all worked up yet, dude. You got to be up at least 40% on those, right?
On those IoTs, I'm up 100%.
There we go. That's that shit, dude.
And then also I posted the. Remember, I know
if you haven't trimmed already, I would at 36.78.
I already trimmed.
All right, cool, good.
I remember how we talked about the DXCM on Monday as well. I posted those as well on, I think, Fodes too. Weeklies. DXCM is now officially in the money too.
I totally remember that.
Yeah, you totally do you? They're in the money too. But Nokia, the volume is. How much do you think of this will carry over?
Holy shit. Yeah. I mean, those bid side things there could be partial closures and profit, it looks like. If you want to scroll up, let's see where those filled versus that. No, I mean, hard to tell. Probably like half of it, if I were to just guess blindly, like half of it.
Dubs Crypto goes, what is the president's executive order at 2:30? That's supposed to be one at 2:30?
I don't know, dude. How am I gonna know? I'm not the president.
I don't know.
Can you imagine how crazy that'd be if I was the president? Dude, everybody would have free weed for life. I ain't even messing around right now.
Oh my God.
We're gonna drop alcohol sales and MSOS to the moon as my very first act of president. Give some homies some health here. Come on. Oh, PLCE, you're gorgeous. Get back up there. Oh, you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bastard, you. IoT, I'm mad at you. You should have waited for me. But nonetheless.
I think we are for this section, I think it is getting lunchtime, so flow is kind of slowing down a little bit.
Yeah.
So
I mean, shit, we had a good long 3-hour-ish stream. We got a little pissed off at the report. I'm still a little steamy. We'll have a lot more around that too. We're gonna dive some shit come Monday as well. And we'll start doing a little bit of unusual prediction markets coverage as well.
Oh yeah.
Unusual predictions. Unusual predictions. Let me actually get the link for that for Tucker so he can spam the fuck out of it in the chat.
Yippee!
Ooh, it's not added to the search bar yet. I'll have to do that after the stream. Uh-oh.
Even Snorlax is posting the Nokias, by the way. The Nokias, the Nooks. That's great.
Boom! Oh, it's literally just unusualwhales.com/prediction. Yep. I'm stupid.
I can just type that out.
Nonetheless, here you go, spam it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's so kind of you.
Shabam.
Oh, I'd already sent it. I'll just send it again.
Unusual score. Israel strikes Iran by January 31st, 2026. Has an unusual score of 7.91. I'm going to have to educate myself on how that score works.
Yeah, me too. I'm excited for that, dude.
Yeah, this is going to be cool as hell, dude.
Guess what?
Imagine if we caught that 35,000 to 400K one, dude.
Listen, man, I'm going to be a DGen for life now.
Oh, you're going to be a monster.
I have earnings for life now.
I'll tell you what, dude. I'd be happy for you to deep dive the unusual predictions tool. I would be happy for you to deep dive this, and you can run that segment if you want. Because I don't gamble prediction markets. I do watch them and find them interesting, but I don't participate. But if you do, let's run it back, dude. Let's have a segment on it.
I will do some deep diving into it.
Hell yeah. Let me know if you have questions. I can get it to the team. You can just ask the team too. You know the homies. You know the homies.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I think we're going to call it a wrap for today. We didn't enter anything.
Final question from Anthony. What is the port percentage to end the day, though?
What do you mean?
What is the port up today right now?
Oh, we're sitting just above 100% market, or sorry, 100% portfolio value still. As you know, I took about a $200 hit yesterday that I got about 150 of back. We're sitting just below 2,100 on the portfolio. Just below it, just barely below it, just tickling. This is what I was talking about as well this morning, guys. If anybody's chart is straight up, they're lying to you. That's not a thing. That's not a thing. You're going to have dips and ebbs and flows, yada, yada, yada. The high of this account was like 2,600. So we're down from our highs, but we're still up over 100% on the portfolio value.
What are we doing?
Again, took a couple hits, but we're vibing. We made $100 on the scalps and the flow today, though.
Yeah, what are we up for the day, though, overall? Is that what Anthony's asking?
Oh, overall on the day, 5%.
There you go, Anthony. 5%.
On the day.
And then he said, double check the lifetime. I can't see it on lifetime.
I will. I already pinged the team. I'll get you an answer after the show.
Yeah. I think, yeah.
All right, boys. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's let the homies get lunch and enjoy the rest of their day. If you came in late, don't worry about it. You can see me bitch and moan about the 1,200 late reported fucking transactions by Congress. And you can watch all the flow we discussed, the trades we took. This will be permanently housed on X as far as I know. It's also on the Unusual Whales YouTube under the live tab. It'll be there for forever. Go ahead, watch back, ask questions. You can tag us on Twitter. I'm at NicholasFNS. He's at Jurassic Zombie with a 0. He's at Tucker Hazel with the double L at the end. Let us know. And if you have any ideas of fun shit you want us to do, spam me under a comment of something I post. Tag me, whatever. Spam me in the Unusual Whales Discord server. Just let me know what you want to see, and we'll see if we can make it happen. But I've got some good plans this year that I think we're going to have a lot of fun with.
Yeah.
Other than that, homies, we'll catch you guys Monday morning, same time, same place. Have a good rest of your week and weekend, and make sure to make fun of Jay-Z in your spare
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. That's what we do.
Tucker was excited for that the most.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Catch you Monday.
Now.
Bye.